ಬನ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ. Submissions ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Lordship, serial number 60, my lord. Mailarappa, our Bell case, my lord. That matter, all the matters were directed to be 6th, my lord. Today we had already engaged senior counsel, my lord. By mistake, it is not listed today, my lord.
Because bench is there in the afternoon.
Yes, my lord. On next date, my lord, all this case may be listed, my lord. Memo.
My lord, yesterday I posted. My lord, yesterday I posted a memo.
Posted a memo.
I mean, I have moved a memo. Lord, your lordship, my lord, told for on Monday. Yesterday, since there was no criminal petition number, only FR number I have given.
Monday list full agide. Tuesday barutte.
No, my lord, yesterday you have posted for Monday.
All right.
Serial number 60, my lord.
Kindly, one matter.
So where are you?
One matter.
Yes.
Rest is in violation of 35 of PNSS.
Why?
The clear cut violation.
Clear cut.
Please, because what has happened is that the allegation is that the complainant would receive one threatening letter. Based on that, 308 offense is invoked, extortion. Please.
Extreme urgency in this regard.
End of the list.
The extreme
2:30
urgency
ಗೆ
is that-
Please.
ಅಲ್ಲ bench ಇದೆ 2:30 ಗೆ sitting only up to 2:30.
The extreme urgency is that
Monday ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು.
start a partition.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮುಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ತಾಳಿ.
My lord, it's
End of the
ಅರೆ
list.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್.
End of the list, I'll take a chance. my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
Please. End
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
of the-
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
serve it.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
No, here only I'll serve it.
My lord, there is extreme urgency in this regard.
FR number.
I have got a partition.
ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, she is a senior citizen, my lord.
That is not extreme emergency. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಅಟ್ಟಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ in spite of having a partition decree in my name.
ಫೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, already taken, my lord.
ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ.
My lord,
My lord,
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
taken up.
my lord,
ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಪ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
my lords, this is the disposed matter, my lords. We have filed an IA for masking, my lords. Last time we moved the matter, it has come before, my lords, a seniority basis, my lords. My lords, the petitioner is an 18-year.
ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಟು ಯಾವ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್. ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಗಿವ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, POCSO case
ಫ್ರೆಶ್
ಇದೆ.
ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ.
My lord, POCSO case ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಾಳೆನೆ
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಕಲ್
ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್?
ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಕಲ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, CW 1 and 2 ಗೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ? ಫ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
ಸರ್ ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ.
ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. 2:30 ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ, 15th ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Can I make a request?
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Vacating stay, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು?
2025,
ಅವತ್ತೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Expert
Thursday
entry
ಮಾತ್ರ
ಮಾಡಿ,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
expert entry ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. See,
Thursday
blind mlada, blind mlada.
Can you please understand? 25 ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ ಸಾವಿರ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ದಿನ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸರ್? ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ as possibly.
ಕೊಡಿ
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Settlement ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು?
ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್.
ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ.
Lord, 9.5 years after executing of a MOU, Lord. Complaint is filed, arbitration.
ಏನ್
is filed.
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನು?
Urgency, but there is threat of arrest.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Can I request for Monday, Lord?
ಫೇಲ್ ಸರ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Tuesday, Lord.
ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, I'll take it. At 2:30 on Monday, I'll take it.
Very well.
Matter, my lord, it was partnered with.
It will come, madam. Next week, all parted matters.
My lords, FIR is registered under the provisions of SC/ST Act against the members of the
Give it,
society.
give
my
it,
lords.
sir.
It's an urgency. my
No
lords.
urgency, give it, yes. Call the cases.
ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಸುಮಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಮೂರನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಕೊಡಿ sir.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಡಿವಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು EV Act ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Give it. ಏನಿದ್ರು ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್. ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಡೇಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30 ಯಾಕೆ? ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ.
My lord, this matter, he was a juvenile, my lord, at the time of trying the offense, my lord.
Pending matter.
No, my lord. The connected matter, he was convicted in one offense.
ಕೊಡಿ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. Yes. Give it. Yes, call the case.
Being spoken to seal number 1.
ಜೀವನ್ ಏನಿದು?
ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ. R1 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, R1 ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ R1 ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ R1 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಟು R2 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು R1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅ PCR ಅಂಡ್ R2 to R6 ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್.
ನೋಟಿಸೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, R2 ಆಗಿದೆ. R2 is a formal party.
Emergent notice to the first respondent returnable by this court on 27/1/20. Oh, ಇದೆ correct. Issue emergent notice response ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟು R1 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
accused number 2 is the purchaser. Proceedings initiated ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಿ.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್.
ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್
ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ R2 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ R1. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ R1.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದೊಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ನೋ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಐ ಮೂವ್ ದ ಮೆಮೊ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ದ ಮೆಮೊ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ.
No, you are right. Yes.
Which matter seal number 2?
For the petitioner's case.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ?
My lords, my instruction is that, my lords, no one persuade with the complaint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪರ್ಸುವೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಕಾಗ್ನೈಸಬಲ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Who is the will direct the whoever is the higher authority will present before the court.
Yes.
This court on 3/2/2026 had passed the following order. A crime is registered against the petitioner on certain cognizable offences. The complaint is registered by the petitioner against the complainants, again for the very same offences. The complaint of the respondent is taken, but the complaint of the petitioner is not registered. Therefore, the station house officer before whom the complaint is registered shall be present before the court on Tuesday at 2:30 PM. In the event he would not register the crime by the next date. Yes. Next, we will impose costs on him or direct departmental inquiry to be initiated. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಬೇಕಾದವ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೇಡವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಬಂದ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ಯಾನಿಮೇಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್.
3.
For the petitioner Buds Act. Two judgments. Allow me, I am.
Yes.
Jagdish sir would have done his homework. I am going to preempt what the state will raise.
I have also done my homework.
Yes. So let me just show your lordships what the position of law is. Two judgments of your lordships, not in 23, in which your lordships in similar circumstances where the offence was registered under 21
I
which
think
is in
that's
effect.
reversed by the division bench. Justice Sandesh has reversed it.
No, but there is also a judgment of Justice Kazi, Lord, where she takes a different view. Now, there are 3 or 4 different views of single judges of this High Court. Not in my case, 21 is the offense which has been invoked. For a Section 3 violation, 21 becomes the offense. For a Section 4 violation, which is a regulated deposit scheme, Section 22 is the offense. Now, if your lordship were to see, in my case, I am not a regulated deposit scheme. The best case of the prosecution is that it's an unregulated deposit scheme, because of which 21 is attracted. 27, Lord, is the ground which I had initially raised to say that cognizance can be taken only on a private complaint filed by the regulator. But if your lordship were to see Justice Kazi's decision, Lord, she says that the cognizance bar is only in respect of an offense under 22 and not for an offense under 21. Therefore, Lord, now your lordship will see the act once. The act, the lordship will only to see Section 3 once, Lord. Section 3.
Put Madam, Buds Act. Put.
The prosecution will be able to satisfy your lordships that they could have so mote registered an FIR, filed a charge sheet, because this is not a regulated deposit scheme but an unregulated deposit scheme. Therefore, a private complaint is not required. What the prosecution will not be able to overcome, Lord, in my respectful submission, is the fact that under Section 3, the deposit taker, if it is a company, the company should be made a party. Lord. Here only the directors have been made a party without the company, and therefore it goes. Your lordship will see the definition of a deposit taker.
Kudi.
Buds Act. Please see the definition of a deposit. Please see the definition of a deposit taker. Your lordship will find that at 2 subclause 6. Deposit taker means there are 9 separate categories. Any individual or group of individuals, proprietorship concern, a partnership firm, a limited liability partnership, a company. Even if we are to assume, Lord, what I have done comes within the definition of a deposit, having solicited. Here, their best case is that the deposits were taken by a limited company, which is Ja Lifestyle Private Limited. Now, please see the charge sheet. Ja Lifestyle Private Limited is not an accused. There are 2 directors which have been made an accused. Shiv Kumar Jatia is very clear that there is no concept of vicarious liability in criminal law. There has to be a provision like 141 in the NI Act, where offences by company, there's a deeming fiction. For an act of the company, the directors are made vicariously liable only then. In the Buds Act, there is no provision which provides for a deeming fiction liability on the directors. The deposits have admittedly been taken by the limited company. Limited company is not made an accused. No private complainant has come before the police and have asked for a complaint to be registered. Even assuming the police could register a suo motu FIR and them having done it, filed a charge sheet, the charge sheet is filed against 2 individuals. But the deposits have been taken by a limited company. So even if they had the right and jurisdiction to register an FIR and file a charge sheet, they cannot not file a charge sheet against 2 individuals when the deposits have been taken by the company. Your lordships have an umpteen number of judgments.
I will direct the company to be implemented now as an accused under 482 or 528. All power is available. I will.
I can show your lordship's judgment.
No, I will now direct company to be implemented. Let them file an application, or I'll do it myself.
Your lordship will
Further
see,
investigation has been pending.
I'll do it
company
myself.
themselves are not a party. Your lordship.
I will do it myself. Let them implead. Company should be made. Further investigation is pending.
Further investigation not pending, Lord. Cognizance is taken, Lord. Cognizance
After
is
cognizance, further investigation ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Up to the stage of framing of charge. Vinu bhai.
Then on that basis I'll produce judgment. Not your lordship may consider and pass orders.
Yes, no problem.
On next day of hearing.
These people should not be spared.
No,
Absolutely. I am on the no, on merits Allah. On merits.
Then your lordship will see the definition of deposit.
Yes.
The deposit has not what the definition.
Association of persons is also a deposit.
No. I'm for it to come within the bar of Section 3, it has to be a deposit as per the definition under 2 subclause 4.
No problem.
Now deposit Not every deposit is an offense. No.
Correct.
I'm taking deposits as part of my lawful business.
Correct.
Now I'll have to also satisfy your lordship that it will come within the exception to the definition of deposit, and then it not come attract section 3 at all. That's on the merits. But on the first premise, not. Directors have been made liable. Individuals have been
No
made liable.
problem.
The
I will
company is
now
not
pass
made a
an
party.
order to implead the company as an accused.
Then
It is in my power
then in
under
a
482.
case not where, for example, in an NI Act case, where
These people on that technicality, I will not permit them to escape.
technicality, not.
Absolute technicality.
This is a case where the police have gone
That is 138 Allah sir,
the
where
police
company
have
is
gone
not
and
made a
registered
part.
an FIR so motive, they're not a single complainant. Not. Let them answer.
Correct, single complainant, this is going to emerge, this big huge 3 crores 57 lakhs collected.
Then not if I have it on any other day, I'll submit those judgments.
No
Whether under 482 this court can implead the company at the stage when the charge sheet is already filed against two deposit lordship.
Pending further investigation.
They themselves have not filed any applicant to implead.
In fact, this one of the judgment your lordship may have to see, my lord, the Kerala High Court has dealt with this issue extensively.
I will direct, sir. 482 power is not, you can't shackle the hands of this court to direct impleading at all.
At least 100
Test
judgments,
it, we'll
at
see.
least 100 judgments not where lordships and this court has quashed where the company is not made a party.
That is 138. 138 definitely will
The
do it.
statute, my lord, in my respectful submission, cannot have a bearing on the.
Not in these kind of offenses.
I think in this case also, I think your lordship may have to direct action against the police officer for not making company as an accused.
FIR Lidra?
No, not even in the FIR. The FIR is challenged. If the FIR themselves are not against the deposit taker, there's a definition. Deposit taker is the company.
For the folly of the police, accused cannot walk away like
Your
this.
lordship will have to quash and take strictures against the police. Otherwise, this
That will do. I will not quash but take
At
strictures.
least this court must.
I will not quash. I will definitely pass strictures against the police. See, victim goes and gives a complaint. It will be clear case of 384. Deliberately 323, 504, 506 is. What does the victim do? Because of the police's folly, there is nothing found and we will quash it. But ultimately victim is the sufferer. Now 406, 420 cannot go hand in hand is correct.
406 and 420
Correct.
added.
I'll tell you, 406, 420 cannot go hand in hand. FIR is not an encyclopedia.
Correct.
These people go and register a crime. Police register 406, 420. ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ we quash the FIR. 1 minute, quash the FIR. What happens to the victim?
Yes, may I respond to that?
Because of the folly of the police, no victim shall escape. Charge sheet ಹಾಕದ ಮೇಲೆ, if there are both together,
Yes,
then we will consider.
Exactly.
Yes.
So Delhi Race Club, not when it says 406 and 420 cannot stand together, that actually has to operate in the context where the charge sheet is
Charge sheet
not
is
at the
filed.
FIR stage.
Exactly. That is what. Submission should be made. Delhi Race Club FIR.
Not at the
No,
FIR,
sir. I will
not
not
at the-
do all
the
that.
charge sheet. Now here there's a charge sheet where there's 406 and 420.
No, this will see. But here company alva, I will direct them to make a party.
Then not your lordship may call it on any other.
No.
I'll produce all the citations and your lordship.
Because
may approve it.
too much leaning towards the accused will spoil the society.
It's not leaning towards.
Yes.
Whatever is
On
available
these
in law,
technicalities.
whatever is available in law, we are taking.
Allah, true. But on these technicalities, these people should not escape.
Those submissions will raise
No,
on the next
no
week.
problems.
482 powers.
Whenever you want. Yes.
Your lordship may call it next Friday.
No, I will pass, not next I will pass. I will pass orders. Test it.
No. I'll then submit my written.
Oh, yes,
Lordship may
yes,
Call
sir.
it next Friday.
Yes, sir.
They can also
13th.
file whatever.
13th.
30. Yes. Great.
ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು 173(8) ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು if you have sought for further investigation.
Charge sheet itself.
that ಆ ನಿವೇದನೆ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಿವೇದನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. In fact, I've
ಮತ್ತೆ
called
ಅವರ
today.
ವೇದನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೇದನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
I've called my lord. In fact, I warned the officers who are in charge on today, saying that if you do not think, if you give us why you are not made a company as an accused.
In such cases where there's spiraling, you collect ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರು collect ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವ್ರು collect ಮಾಡಿ, 3 crore 57 lakhs is collected by these accused. What have you done?
In fact, even that, my lord, according to me, many other victims, officers. That's all I can. I've looked into papers.
13th.
That's all I can say.
Yes.
At the Learned Council
There
under.
are 4 or 5 judgments.
One more conflicting view. Will 13th.
Actually, Kerala High Court judgment para 14 elaborately discuss the power of investigation method.
Yes. Yes. 13th. Yes. Mic ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Mic ತೆಗ್ದು. Yes, sir.
There is already a stay, Your Lordship.
That is why, sir, you should argue, sir, for its continuance.
Your Lordship, the offence under section 329 clause 4,
No,
351.
stay is granted on the ground that suit for specific performance had to be preferred, but there is a criminal law set into motion. But you come to the complaint. What is invoked is 226 of BNS also. It is not only specific performance.
Your Lordship,
It needs investigation.
Your Lordship, kindly see the annexure B, Your Lordship. Annexure D.
Yes, sir.
The first I have filed complaint, Your Lordship, for the same police station, but they have registered NCR on my complaint.
That we will take care, don't worry. Yes.
This case is a clear counter blast, Your Lordship.
That we'll see. Yes.
Your Lordship, kindly see the agreement.
We'll direct
Same-
direct your complaint also to be investigated into, and this also to be investigated. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋದು. We will take serious action. If this partisan attitude of the police continue, this court will not keep quiet. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಅದು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, ಆಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್. But this investigation will go on.
Your Lordship,
No,
we are in
sir.
the possession, Your Lordship. The sale agreement
Nothing
is.
doing, yes.
Lordship, kindly see the page number.
Wait, the petitioner, this court on 12/1/2026 had passed the following order. The order was passed on the premise that the issue, instead of filing a suit for specific performance, the petitioner, the complainant had registered a crime. The offences punishable initially were for 447 and 504 of the IPC. A permission is sought from the hands of the learned magistrate to include the offence under 448 and 226, which is the newly added provision in the BNS, which is lurking, house trespass to assault. Therefore, the investigation in the case at hand is imperative. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the petitioner initially registered a complaint before the jurisdictional police on 21/12/2025. NCR is rendered on the said complaint, but on an identical complaint of the complainant, the crime is registered. Therefore, the station house officer of Pulakeshi Nagar Police Station shall explain as to why the crime in crime number, the complaint dated 20/12/2025 is not taken note of, but the complaint against the complaint filed against the petitioner is taken note of. Therefore, the investigation in the case at hand shall continue, but the officer in charge of the police station shall not file its final report without the leave of the court. List the matter on 13th March. 13th March.
Your Lordship,
Explanation be submitted by then.
Your Lordship, no coercion action against the petitioner. Also. Petitioner number 1.
Bail ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
Petitioner number.
Bail ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Wait. Where were you?
Initially, they have invoked only bailable offense, Your Lordship.
Correct, sir. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Accused, petition number.
226 is invoked. No.
Petitioner number 1, he has filed anticipatory bail and he's got rejected, Your Lordship.
No problem. Yes. You take bail.
Great, Your Lordship. ಅವ್ರು ವಕಾಲತ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್, Your Lordship. ಅಶೋಕ್.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
304A.
Petitioners are
ಈಗ
accused
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಗ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್?
for the family, my lord.
Yes, sir.
It happened in a premises.
Maybe.
My lord's deceased A1, A2 belong to LRC Logistic Company.
No problem. You tell me what compensation is paid to the deceased family. Only then I will show indulgence. That is not the law. but I want to know what is the
Adalla, my
compensation.
lords. They all belong to one company.
Maybe,
Deceased
sir.
A1, A2. A3 and A4 have nothing to do with it.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಲಾರಿ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ?
Truck, yes, my lords. My lords, just 1 minute.
I'm
my
not
lords.
saying it. I want to know what is the compensation paid to the deceased.
My lords, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. My lords, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes.
My lords, A2, A1 deceased are from one company, LRC Logistics. A2 tells A1 to back the truck. A1 backs the truck. He goes on to the deceased, my lords. Deceased, his skull gets crushed, he dies. They all belong to one company. My lords, A3 and A4 are employees of another company, my lords, where the incident took place. They had nothing to do with this. It is A1, A2 and deceased from one company, my lords. They are the ones who would pay the compensation to him.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
I'll find out, my lords, but because it is that company, my lords, only thing that happened.
A4, yes, I can.
A3
But
and
A3,
Alla, A3 also other company, my lords. My lords, A3, A4 belong to this company called Quick Supply Chain. A1, A2 and deceased belong to LRC Logistics. A2 instructs A1, my lords, who doesn't have a driving license, to back the truck. A1 backs the truck, and the deceased, my lords, who is standing behind the truck, he gets crushed. A3, A4 had nothing to do. The charge sheet, my lords, initially they thought A3 had given the instruction, my lords, in the FIR, but in the charge sheet, they found out it was A2 who gave the instruction. So how A3 is brought into picture is, you did not take the deceased to the hospital in time. It is a case of spot death under the PM report. He died there itself, my lords. That's the only allegation against A3, A4, who belong to a different company. My lords, I can find out what the logistic company has done in so far as deceased. I can bring that information. But so far as A3 and A4, in my respectful submission, my lords, no role at all attributed. Everything is A1, A2 and deceased. I can find out, my lords. My lords.
find out. I'll take it on 13th.
It's coming up on 12th. Could it be before
11th.
13th, my lords? 11th.
10th ಬೇಡ.
I will.
11th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Yes, my lords. We'll also find out, my lords, what they have done. The logistic company, whether they have paid the deceased, what they have done. I'll just find out.
Paid the family of the deceased.
Family of the deceased. I'll find out, my lords, what they have done. Because, my lords, so far as 3 and 4, nothing to do with it. They're part of Reliance Group, my lords.
ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
They are the other companies.
Other companies?
Supervisors, my lords. So.
ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
My lords.
ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ they are responsible for the whatever
Whatever.
they have taken necessary
What
steps
they have
to
taken?
avoid the things. But
ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾನೂನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
please.
List on 11th in the fresh matters list. 12th ಏನಿದೆ?
It's in the lower court, my lords. Because
what-
charge sheet. Summoning.
what?
Summoning, my lords.
Summoning.
Let it be on 11th, my lords. We'll ascertain
11th fresh
from
matters.
whether they have made some payments. We will ascertain that. But in my respectful submission, my lords, death by negligence.
Maybe.
Death by negligence,
Sir,
0.
304A may not be there. But I want to know what is the compensation paid to the deceased, because
That
all
we
of
will
accused,
ascertain.
all the accused can't walk away just
Okay.
like that.
My lords, that's the reason this petition is only by 3 and 4, my lords. Death by negligence cannot be attributed to them at all.
Merit, I'm fully aware.
Yes.
I have written 100 judgments, but I want to know the compensation.
Yes, because you got charge sheet
No,
ali.
if nothing is paid, you would prevail on them to
I will,
pay.
my lords, charge sheet ali, they're very clear. A2 directed A1 to back the truck. He goes on to the
No,
deceased.
don't worry. I want to know the compensation. Yes.
I will sit in that and get back. On 11th, my lords.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Sandesh Chowta, appearing for the petitioner. The petitioners accused 3 and 4 shall ascertain and submit to the court as to what is the monetary compensation paid to the family of the deceased, as the offense is the one punishable under section 304A of the IPC.
I'll ascertain it.
Still number 6.
Okay, for petition
My lord, there are two complaints on the same place of incident, date and time of incident.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಒಂದು ರಾಮನಗರ.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಸೈಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೋಡಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ petitioners have no roles.
ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
315
petitioners sir.
No. They are the person.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು? ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು. ನಿಮ್ದು ರೋಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್, ಒಬ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಾ? ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನೀವೇ? ಯಾಕೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೇವಲ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ.
2017 in the Ramnagar ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Moreover, the first complaint there is no allegation in ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸನೇ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. You will walk away with another, you will do another feticide.
They have not followed the procedure. 28 follow.
What sir? Procedure. ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಕೊಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Even first complaint and there is no allegation.
Just because it's a girl child, you have taken her and horribly aborted.
Kindly pair the page number.
Can't even read the complaint.
Page number 25.
Yeah.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ನೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ
ಏನು
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು,
ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ. That is the code word.
Allegation. There is no allegation.
No, that is the allegation.
Kindly pair the first complaint page number 25.
This scourge should stop. If you've gone indulging, scourge will not stop. Anyway, procedure ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ, ವಾಪಸ್ಸಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಲೋ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
There are two complaints on the same incident, same date and same time. So any one is to be sustained, not two.
ಏನೇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್
ನೀವೇನು?
It is at page number 12, my lord. Page number 12.
ನೀವು ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ ದಾಸೇಗೌಡ
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀರವರು ದಂಪತಿಗಳೊಡನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮನಗರ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಾರದಮ್ಮನವರು ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಮೂಲಕ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀರವರಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹರ್ಷಿತರವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ ಎಂದು ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಯವರು ಹರ್ಷಿತರವರ ಎಡಗೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೆದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಬಳಿ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂತರ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ನಡೆಸಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಯವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾಗ್ಯರವರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀರವರಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟ ಬಸ್ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದ ಬಳಿ ಶಾರದಮ್ಮರವರ ಪತಿ ದಾಸೇಗೌಡರು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹರ್ಷಿತರವರ ಪತಿ ಚೆನ್ನಕೇಶ್ವ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀರವರಿಗೆ 20,000 ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀರವರು ಚೆನ್ನಕೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ 20,000 ಹಣ ಪಡೆದು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಣ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ದಾಸೇಗೌಡ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಗು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 who is the nurse over there, ಅವಳು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೂರನವ್ರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು
ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು?
ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ದಿನದ ನಂತರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿನ ಇವ್ರು
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದ. ಅದ್ಯಾರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ 1 2 3 ನಾ?
1 2 3
ಇವ್ರು ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಲ್ಲ,
ಇವ್ರಿಲ್ಲ,
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಗಂಡ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವರು,
ಇವ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A1 ನನ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ A1 ಗಂಡ, A2 ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, A3 ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋದವರು. 4 and 5 ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಾಮನಗರದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರೋದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಈ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಇವನು ರೈತ 61 ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್.
ಬಟ್ ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಹೌದಾ?
ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಮೀ, ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೀ. ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ she has been
ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್? ಟು ಸ್ವಾಲೋ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ
4 ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಔಷಧಿ ತರಲು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾದ 10 ದಿನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು DA ಇವನೇ. ರಾಮನಗರದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ರಾಜೂರವರು ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಭ್ರೂಣ ಪತ್ತೆಗೆ ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು, ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ she went to the Victoria Hospital for abortion because she has taken some tablets. So the fetus
there was bleeding, that's why she went to Victoria.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ the same day, but ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾಜುನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. DA ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿನೋ ಏನ್ ಕತೆನೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನು
No, this is second complaint, madam.
ಹಾ.
The first complaint, Lord.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಏನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
First complaint, there is no allegation against this petitioner.
ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1.
No, accused number ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
The Ramnagar second complaint, accused number 1.
1. You are the radiologist.
Yes, madam. The first complaint, there is no allegation, even detect ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ತಾಯಿ ಅವರ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಗು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಗಿದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಗು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 days ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. Then section 28 they have not followed the section 28
ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
Procedures 15 days notice ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Even incident on 22/8/2025 the complaint lodged on 3/9/2020. Even before taking the cognizance, not issued the notice to this petitioner.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
28
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, 28B mandate.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಹಿಂಗೆ every accused gets away with procedure.
Connected matter, my lord. Your lordship can set aside and remand it back for this.
No, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ.
First matter, my lord, we have arrested the accused number 5.
ಓ ಯಾರು? ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡನ್ನ.
ದಾಸೇಗೌಡ.
And he is also an accused in Mandya in a previous similar kind of incident. So now we are analyzing the CDRs and other things which discloses all other roles played by the accused people.
But why does this court doesn't follow procedure?
That is PCR ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ that still there is
28 ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, PCP entity ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕೊಡಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೆಯಾ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ತರಿಸಿಕೊಡಿ, ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ತರಿಸಿಡಿ.
Notice section 28(1)B is if the complaint filed by the private people.
ಅಲ್ಲ, a person who has given a note, ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು, no court cognizant complaint by appropriate authority, private ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, if for A it's an appropriate authority.
Or a person.
Or a person.
No, person.
Person has been defined down, my lord. Person includes social
notice
organization.
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. We'll see.
Allah, that is if the person, if the private people are filing a complaint, social organization filing a complaint.
Procedure follow.
And here it is the appropriate authority who filed a complaint.
We'll see. 28 ಅಣ್ಣ?
Yes, 28B. 223 of BNS also.
At that?
Of
BNS.
ಅದೇ ಯಾಕೆ?
Before taking the cognizance, private complaint.
Wow. BNS is applicable. NI Act ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ anyway that also will answer. Like this requires an answer.
Yes, but
procedure follow ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲ 28 you may not
ನೋಡೋಣ
eligible, but that's
and ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು will.
Yes, that's under investigation.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ ತಾಳಿ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್.
ಬೇಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಲ್ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ ಇದೆ
ಅದು ಲೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಶಾರದಮ್ಮ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A2 ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 90 days ಆದ್ರೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. DCP ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ದವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಈಗ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್
ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು don't do anything. What is all this?
That's correct. Investigation was not done. We pulled up the officers and now they are doing it. I'll assure you,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ
ನಾಟ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ದವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇವ್ರಿಬ್ರದ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
100 days ಇತ್ತು. 100 days ಊರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮುಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ,
ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ,
yes,
ಅಲ್ಲ, stay may be granted for Russia.
We give the judgment itself.
Date
Judgment date ಬೇಕಾ? Trial court ಇದು. Yes. We'll give it, yes.
7.
For the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner is accused number 2 in crime number 48. my lord.
Relaxation of bail condition.
condition.
ದುಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೌದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ he is having, my lord, having business, my lord. Actually,
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Offense ಏನು?
424, 403, my lord.
Your accused number?
2.
Allegation against you?
Allegation, my lord, the misappropriated with regard to the gold ornament, my lord. I have taken
Misappropriated gold ornaments.
gold ornament.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
5 crores ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ 1,07,00,000 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್.
My lord, what happened, my lord? I filed a complaint against the bank officials, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಸು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ? How do you pursue your complaint?
Come back, my lord.
When
Because,
will you come back?
My lord, what happened, my lord? I have construction
No,
equipment.
let us hear the state. And additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent state to submit with regard to relaxation of the bail condition owing to the facts of the case on the next date. List on 11th in the fresh matters list. Yes, next. ಕೆಲವಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
8.
And for the
138. ಏನು what's the ground?
Swami, the complainant.
Kalki fluid power.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಸರಿ.
Complainant was part and parcel of the company, Swami. He came in.
Respondent magistrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Magistrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Swami, I have changed it. There was.
Why, sir?
There was an office objection. I have.
Obviously, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
Not a party, my lord. That was my mistake.
Yes.
I have changed it. So the complainant was part and parcel of the company, part of profit and loss of the company, my lord. My lord, may peruse page number 60, annexure B. Complainant was managing the day-to-day affairs of the company, including payments. So the check, signed check was at his disposal. What you have done is that you have taken.
Have you signed on the check or not?
It was signed check for daily transaction, my lord. And he have done till now 16 checks he have put in 138.
If you have signed on the check, nothing. You serve on the respondent.
My lord.
The petitioner shall serve on the counsel representing the respondent complainant before the concerned court. This is the matter on.
My lord, kindly let me come to the complaint part. Now the complaint, my lord. Kindly peruse the complaint.
You have signed the check or not?
My lord, check is signed by me. But kindly peruse the complaint, my lord. The complaint says that. The complaint says that he have given money during the 2021 period and there was some agreement between.
That is matter of evidence.
Yes, my lord, matter of evidence. Now, for the repayment, we have given check. These are the awareness. Now the question is the concept of.
For what you have paid, repayment or otherwise, all that is a matter of evidence.
Correct,
If you are a
my
signatory to the check, presumption kicks in.
I will invite I wish to invite my lord's attention to one Supreme Court judgment where the money lending part is considered.
No, sir, not at this stage. You get the respondent. Counsel for the petitioner shall serve on the counsel representing the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement of such service. List the matter on 20th.
My lord, till then.
No, you have signed the check.
My lord, another thing is that the third directors have already resigned before the check period. At least one director should.
Signed the check?
No, only one director signed. The accused.
What is the date? What is the date of the check?
Date of the check, my lord, check is in page number 41, my lord. Check dated 9/12/2024. That is page number 41.
Who resigned when?
That is signed by accused number 2. That is petitioner number 2. Petition number 1 is the company. Petition number 2 is the active director of the company. Petition number 3 and 4, 3, 4 and 5 are not active and they have resigned.
When?
Peruse page number 75, the resignation.
When? Dates, please.
Resolved that resignation of Ms. Sundaram Balakrishnan from the director.
ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಡೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
39/2021.
39/2021,
page number 75.
Next.
So that director cannot be.
Next director.
Next director is, my lord, it is petition number 3, Deepa Balakrishnan.
I don't want the name, date of resignation.
No, she is not resigned. She is in board, but she didn't sign it.
All right. Then.
She's 1 and 2. 2 is the signature. 2 have signed.
Which is this 39/2021? Which petitioner?
This is P5, P5,
B5.
P5.
What
P5
P5?
resigned.
Who is this petitioner who resigned on 39/21?
P5, my lord.
Fifth petitioner.
P5 is the resigned petitioner.
Petitioner shall serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement of such service. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings only against the fifth petitioner. Accused number?
Accused number 5.
Accused number 5 before the concerned court. List on 20th. Yes.
P3 didn't resign, but she is not a
Amal,
signatory.
we'll see on the next day. Yes, next. The petitioner is before this court, calling in question registration of a crime for offence punishable under 351, 352 of the BNS and the Atrocities Act. This is a classic illustration of misuse and abuse of the provisions of the Atrocities Act. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay for the further investigation. Pay the petitioner to the next date of hearing. Next.
10.
Surety.
Surety.
ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರ್?
Respondent.
Complainant. How are you concerned with this?
Respondent number 310.
3 ಏನು? Complainant. How are you concerned with surety?
See the number. 10.
Respond number 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Only two, sorry, respondent number.
Josephine. Learned HCGP look into the papers and make his submissions the next date. List on Monday in the fresh matters list. Yes.
11.
Next. Settlement.
Settlement. Not, we are on merits, your lordship.
Merits, you may.
Merits,
Oh, you can come on merits, no problem.
Lordship wanted to see the death note.
Marriage, my lord, was.
Huh?
Marriage, my lord, was on 10/11/2024.
Yes, sir.
My lord, he died, my lord, on 23/4/25. 4.5 months, my lord. There was incompatibility between them. Marriage was not consummated. My lord, at the time of death, my lord, she was in her parents' house. Husband, my lord, was in US. My lord, the in-laws, my lord, accused number 2 to 4. 2, my lord, is the father-in-law. 3 is the mother-in-law. And brother-in-law is accused number 4, my lord. They were resident of Mysore. Incident of death, my lord, happened in Bangalore in the house of parents. Accused number 5 and 6, my lord, are not the relatives of accused, this husband. My lord, out of that, my lord, the other allegation, my lord, that in the FIR, your lordship, there is no word with regard to either.
You are there. E-case ka complainant.
Either demand of dowry or cruelty being caused in connection with demand of dowry. Therefore, registration of FIR for 304B without there being any allegation. My lord, it is liable to be quashed on that count itself. My lord, both the differences, my lord, because of my lord, is not amounts to cruelty within the meaning of, my lord, illicit relationship, my lord, allegation of illicit relationship by wife, my lord, with some other boy.
Against this
Yes,
deceased
yes, my
lady.
lord, that is the allegation. My lord, in such a case, my lord, it is not amounts to cruelty at all. 490/88 do not apply. 3 and 4 are ingredients of dowry prohibition act is not there in the FIR. My lord, if the FIR do not disclose the allegation of commission of cognizable offence, even if the charge sheet is filed, my lord, subsequently that will not cure, my lord, your lordship, Devendra Pal decision, my lord. The initial act, my lord, is not fulfilling the ingredients of the offence. The proceeding is liable to be quashed. Now, death note is left by deceased, my lord, that she has not implicated any of the accused.
Kannada type ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Kannada type.
Okay. We'll see. Yes, sir.
There is no allegation, my lord, that thereafter, your lordship, that a second complaint was filed, making, my lord, the allegation of
that they asked for a site like that.
Hmm.
Well, that was not at all there. Well, the very fact that they filed a second complaint after realizing, my lord, that the FIR do not disclose the ingredients of the offence.
Hmm.
Well, second complaint, my lord, is not the FIR. It is hit by section 162. It cannot be used for any purpose.
Hmm.
My lord, such being the case, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, the fact, a very important fact, my lord. My lord, incident of death resulted on 3/24 intervening night.
Hmm.
Previous day, my lord, on 23rd, accused number 2, 3, my lord, and 5 and 6 had been to the house of parents of deceased. My lord, they informed the father that she was, when she was in US, she did not cooperate with the accused, that is husband. She was always in the phone with some boy. She has harassed our son like this. No, like that, they complained to father. Father came to know this. Thereafter, my lord, when they came back, my lord, this father has thrashed her, assaulted her. Injuries, my lord, in the dead body, my lord, are so serious injuries, my lord.
On the dead body.
Over the dead body, my lord, it is noted by the doctor. When she was in the house, fresh contusions were there. Immediately prior to death, my lord, that these injuries were in the house of parents. And my lord, this is the reason for proximity, my lord, your lordship may kindly appreciate that. Proximate to the time of death, my lord, that she has been thrashed, my lord, and serious contusions are noted by the doctor. This could not be self-inflicted at all. This could have been caused, my lord, by someone in their house. That was the immediate cause for her to decide and commit suicide. This injuries, my lord, kindly see, my lord, post-mortem report is very clear. Page 95, my lord. Death is resulted in their house. Husband was in US, my lord. He did not come at all. There was no act of any kind of cruelty soon before her death in connection with demand of dowry. If the ingredients, my lord, are not there, charge sheet, my lord, they covered up and all that. Now, your lordship, kindly, many cases, your lordship, is to quash, my lord, on the ground that if there is no possibility of conviction, my lord, the proceeding cannot be allowed to continue. My lord, here, the death note, as your lordship, we had no occasion to read the death note because it was not furnished to us. Now, we assume that there is no implication in the death note for the accused persons. She had blamed for herself or anyone it is. Now, under these circumstances, the FIR do not disclose, my lord, any allegation of dowry death. The cause of proximate to the cause of, my lord, the time of death, my lord, the injuries caused, my lord, by someone in their house. That may be the reason, my lord. We have lodged a complaint, counter complaint in this, stating that.
What happened to that complaint?
Counter complaint, my lord, not investigated at all.
Which is that complaint?
The complaint, my lord, it is at page 215, my lord, it is alleging that it is, my lord, in their house, the assault has been caused to her. That was the reason for her to commit suicide. Page 215, your lordship. The detailed complaint was lodged.
Is WhatsApp chats with whom?
WhatsApp chat?
Charge sheet material?
WhatsApp chat, my lord, is with another boy. This accused, my lord, husband also produced a pen drive. My lord, her conversation, my lord, telephonic conversation with ex-boyfriend, my lord, continuously. She stayed only for 2 months, my lord, in US. That pen drive, my lord, what it was produced by a husband, my lord, after he returned from, my lord, US, himself surrendered, subjected for custody. My lord, he was remanded to judicial custody. He produced all that
Still
pen
in
drive, my lord.
custody?
Please.
Husband is still in custody?
No, my lord, he has been granted bail, your lordship. My lord, page 140, my lord, that the conversation, my lord, what happened previous day in the house of parents, my lord, that was also recorded. That pen drive is also produced, my lord, at page 140. Then, my lord, husband, he has come from US and produced, my lord, the recording, the voice recording of deceased and conversation with another boyfriend. Continuously it was. It was an harassment. She did not lead any marital life at all. And she returned back, my lord, on 19/4. After 5 days, my lord, she committed suicide in the house of parents. This being the case, my lord, neither 498A nor 304B, even not even for 306 also. The entire charge sheet reads like this, your lordship. Making allegation is different, my lord, but it must fit into the facts and circumstances of the case. Time and event, my lord, so it is, your lordship, that page 127, my lord, the pen drive, my lord, which was furnished, recordings, my lord, it is also and the filing of charge sheet, my lord, without there being any material. My lord, this is a case, my lord, that even, my lord, that now they have come to some terms, my lord, that,
I know that they have
my lord, if the trial it goes, my lord, that everyone will turn hostile. If death note is negative, my lord, this case will not stand, my lord, during trial.
We'll see.
My lord, this, my lord, being the circumstances, kindly consider this post-mortem report, my lord, it tilts the balance in favor of the accused person. They have to explain, they have not explained. Charge sheet is totally nil regarding this.
Your lordship, we have given that
It
death
appears
note.
to be that she had, if you see the chats with the other.
No, I've seen the charts, my lord. But two things, my lord. She is dead.
She is dead, yes.
There is no question of continuing maligning that
But
lady.
of course, maligning the dead is not, yes.
Your lordship has seen the death note.
Hmm.
Only death note speaks what she undergone when she was in post-marriage in
Yes.
India and in America.
Yes.
Simple question, my lord, for them to ask. They have produced the phone which contains the conversation between wife and somebody else. How did they record it?
Recorded, my lord, with, my lord, deliberately unable to tolerate the harassment being caused by that woman. He has kept the recorder in the home. He used to go for bank.
If that's not
He was
amounts-
working, my lord,
if
such
that's
a
not
kind
amount
of attitude,
cruelty,
my lord, he was unable to tolerate. He could not sleep at all. 2 months made hell, my lord, in the US. He could
and
not
she
reside
writes
at
in
all.
the death note, my lord, if I don't come back to India, only my body will come back to India.
Yes.
And nobody was there, only husband was there. When she comes back to India, very next day she commits suicide. Of course, post the incident, all of them were present. They may have compromised, my lord, but I think the death note.
No, compromise I will not close.
Death note speaks more than what it is required to be spoken.
Let's
And
see.
it's easy to put the blame on the lady who's died, but then accept what she narrates about locking in the room, confining herself to the roof. All those things is more than inhuman.
Those conduct, my lord, is not the cause for death. Death not resulted in US when he was there.
Yeah, she wanted to come back to
She
India.
had
died.
come back on 19th. 5 days she remained in the house of parents. Lakshmi, can you see, previous day there was a fight. Father has abused like anything to her. I incurred so much huge money to perform the marriage of you. You
Father
have
has
behaved
abused-
like this. What is our fate in the presence of others? And like that melody, the father, mother, everyone has shouted in the presence of
Yeah,
the accused number 2 to 5 melody who had gone to their house.
Father has abused.
My lord,
not
after departure of these accused from their house, my lord, it is they have to explain how these kind of serious injuries being caused.
Father has
My
abused.
lord, a club is taken and trashed. The injury speaks for itself.
I will say yes.
Father has abused not on his own account. Father has abused on the account of all these people coming and making a ruckus and then filing and then making allegation against her.
We'll see. We'll dictate on Tuesday.
Please, the death note, my lord, and the FSL report has proved the handwriting.
This is the matter on Tuesday at 4 p.m.
But since the charge sheet is being filed, we may be given one copy of death note, my lord. They should give
So we'll
that
see.
at least.
Yes.
Anyhow, the lordship will now push.
Now I will consider. Yes.
Interim order.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my lord.
Interim order ಇದ್ರೆ continue. Yes. All these freezing cases. They have used. Excuse me.
12.1 minutes.
11 now.
11 or 12?
12.
Huh.
12.6. For my other friends start up, I just want to call the attention and stop talking back. In this case, not ship, 9 lakh was seized, 8 clear. Police has made a settlement 2 days before, they taken 2 lakh rupees from the
Complainant.
petitioner. From petitioner, his the account was seized of the petitioner.
Huh.
2 lakh rupees they have taken, and then 9 lakh they have released from the list.
Where, how do you demonstrate that, Kodi?
This case, Lordship, even there is a direction from the session court to deposit the money, fixed deposit amount. 8,90,000 rupees was there, and it was 8 layers. When they have done it with the 8th layer, what would have done with the other layers also? This is not posted today, Lordship, this matter.
Oh, memo for posting.
But this is not posted today.
Ah.
I came to, this is the matter, this, because it's a similar issue. These are things are happening in the name of investigation. This case was pending for more than a year. Then finally they compromise in this way.
All right, post this, we'll see. It's a half day, I'll take it on another day, all, not because of this. Since it's a half day, I'll take this on Tuesday.
12.1, my lords, had indicated on the last date, you'll detag it, my lords, and here it under the fresh matters, but it's.
Why detag?
Adralli, there's a memo from the police station in 2024, only the cybercrime has issued a notice to the bank saying that I am the victim, you deal in and defreeze the account. But in 2025 April, no, the bank issues me a notice saying based on police complaint and notice we are defreezing the
Let the record,
So no, but,
register.
12.1 alone. my
Idralli,
lords.
additional. Idralli, all these cases, each cases.
I've already given to your previous counsel. sir.
No, this
Was up
12.1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you had initially
AM,
told
no?
that the victim and
I've given.
defreezed. But ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ?
I've made a note, my lord, of all the things.
All
and
the
I've
things.
needed to some inquiry about the
ಅದು
police
ಕೊಡಿ.
station. Yes.
I'll take this on Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
12.1.
ಇದು
my lords.
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
12.
You have material to demonstrate that Tahir?
Because it is the session court order is that not to release the amount, make it a fixed deposit. They released it. The police officer released the amount after taking 2 lakh rupees.
Let him file an affidavit, my lord.
No, you file an
I'll ask him to
affidavit. You do one, you ask,
I'll ask the party to file it.
file an
He is
affidavit.
in
Yes.
Gujarat, I will ask him.
No
to
problem.
prepare
You
the
ask him to
PC.
file an affidavit. We'll take it. We'll take it on Tuesday.
12.16 Lordship, it could be dealing for the reason.
All will do it on Tuesday. Yes. Or Tuesday we'll finish this. Yes. Because today is half day.
Because freezing is one of the prayer, but my main relief is to set aside an endorsement, Lordship, which is issued by the authority.
Jagdish, ಅದು
That
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
is KPI, no, I've complete, no, that's a KPID
Complete
order.
ಮಾಡಿ, you file it on Monday itself.
No, that's.
One submission, 12.5, made an completing application and then amendment application. Because I was given the communication directing the bank to lien mark my account during when the bank filed a statement of objection. There is no crime register, there is no FIR. So I'm impleading the police station.
We'll take, don't worry. ಎಲ್ಲ, the additional SPP is there, we'll do it.
Interim order may be.
Interim orders ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ will continue, madam.
My lord, due to inadvertence, I had not arranged state as a party, my colleague. That's the
No
only
worries,
defect.
we'll permit, we'll hear it and close it.
One request.
Tahir matter ಹಾಕಿ.
One request, my lord, serial number 12.8 and 9 and 10 and 12, if they can give me copy, my lord, I don't have copies.
12.8.
9, 10, 13 and 15.
ಅದರ ಆ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ the petitioner shall serve requisite set of papers upon the additional SPP forthwith to enable this court to hear and decide the issue on 10th. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡಿ. Whoever it is.
Submission, my lord.
Some obvious guideline is required for this kind of.
We'll see. That's why I've kept it. Yes.
Regarding 12.4, there is no interim order that has been granted. my lord.
Tuesday ವರೆಗೂ ಸರಿ.
12.2.
ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸದಿಂದ 3 days ಲೇನಾ?
Because huge deposits is like in
Tuesday
that
would-
account, because of which I'm not able to operate my account itself due to
No
the debit freezing.
Tuesday, would my lord take it up in the fresh
Fresh
matters? or
matters only. Tuesday fresh matters.
Very best. Grateful.
1-3.
Apologies, 12.5, my lord, allow the application, I serve a copy and.
You serve a copy sir ಅವತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾವು. State ತಾನೆ.
I have not arranged state as a party, my lord, due to inadvertence.
ಆಯ್ತು, for the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the.
Police station in the party.
ಮತ್ತೆ.
Put up again.
12.5, Ulimava police station in the party.
Not, okay. I'll make Kama 50.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you don't let it come. No chaos now.
Lordship,
Grounds of arrest.
Lordship, this is, some admit facts are there in this case, Lordship. There is one is that in the file, ground of arrest is there. His signature is also there, Lordship. Now, Lordship, kindly see the order sheet, Lordship. It's on page, annexure D, page 31, Lordship. Second last para, on inquiry. Accused submits that he was not ill-treated by the police. Accused submits that he was arrested yesterday. That's on 9/10/2025 at 1 PM. The medical certificate issued by the government district hospital, Mangalore, does not disclose any injury sustained by the accused. Accused submit that his arrest been intimated to his son, Saeed Ismail. Accused submit that he and his son, Saeed Ismail, has affixed their signature on ground of arrest and reason of arrest, and also submit that reason of arrest are not read over to him at the time of arrest. Further, accused submits that the physical copy of ground of arrest has not been served on him. The learned PP who is present before court now served physical copy of ground of arrest and reason of arrest to the accused in the open court. Now, Lordship, kindly appreciate, there may be a contra argument may be there that he may be telling lie. It is recorded in front of the court. IO was there, PP was there. If he is making this statement or his things are getting recorded that his copy is not served, at least they should make some counter statement against it. They have not done it. Even the ground of arrest and reason of arrest, he was signed just outside of the court. And Lordship, law is very clear and well settled in this, Lordship. Page number, the judgment of his case and Vahan case. Vahan case was there where it was given, specific direction was given, return ground of arrest is to be given. Mihir case, it was crystallized further, say at least two hours before. In this case, Lordship, it is court has recorded, it is and nobody has contested it. It's a clear case of violation of fundamental rights. And the Mihir case, Lordship, para number 56.
No, Mihir Rajesh, I have seen this.
In this, very clearly, the consequence, they should be released immediately. That is the only consequence. It has not been followed.
Page 37, well. Two reference, my lord. ನನ್ನ ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿಗೆ ಇರುವ ಆಧಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯವರು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ ಸೋನ್ಸೋರಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಆಧಾರಗಳ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಸೈಯದ್ ಎಂಬುವರಿಗೂ ದಿನಾಂಕ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್.
ಯಾರಿದು ಇಸ್ಮಾಯಿಲ್?
ಹೌದು. ಈ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್. So it is not his contention that I did not know what I affixed it for, and they forced me to affix it and I have affixed it. After affixing a signature,
why did the magistrate record this?
Magistrate may many times, my lord, when court happens, give one more copy. We give one more copy. That cannot be taken it as a reason for not giving a copy, my lord. Your lordship may see that Ismail affects signature on the grounds of it. He does not say that I forced me to affix and I do not know what is written. If he said that, my lord, I'll accept it. So it cannot tomorrow. It can be everybody tomorrow. Everybody will come to the court and say, in spite of giving all these things, comes up and says, no, we have not. They have not given. They have not given. When there is a signature is there, it has been given to the court.
Lordship, may I make a submission? Lordship, the idea behind this particular provision.
Grounds of arrest.
Grounds of arrest. The idea behind for this, the moment accused enters or his advocate appears, the ground of arrest copy should be in their hand. Then only they can make effective submission. Here, Lordship, kindly appreciate the learned counsel, special court, Lordship. The learned court has inquired everything. He said made all the statement fairly. Otherwise, he would have made a wrong statement also. He tortured me. They have not arrested me on time. They have said everything clearly. Even he clearly said that he fixed a signature on that. But the copy has not been supplied. He clearly fair. And nobody countered that statement. Then SPP, before the court, SPP, special PP has given a state. So this is admitted fact recorded by the magistrate. I was not there. My learned friend was not there. The one of the court office, the learned special court has recorded everything. So where should be the file? We should find a fault.
No, court
either there should be some inquiry or PP or at least IO, the one who was there along with him at the time protection, they would have said make this statement. Without that, how it is possible to assume anything?
Court also did not say, since copy is not been served, therefore I'm directing you to give a copy. There is no endorsement to the court also saying the copy has not been given.
I will pass on this case. Same 4 p.m. Tuesday.
All right.
Yes.
14. Lord, petitioner is in seeking quashing of the annexure K and L, my lord.
CCTV footage.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕುಡಿದು ಬಂದು ಈ ತರ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Entire complaint with annexure 46 annexure K, my lord. wait for 46.
CCTV footage ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Petition number 2 grant ಆಗಿದೆ, petition 1 grant ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Chikmagalur issue.
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತು.
Yes. No, I'll, in fact, Your Lordship have it on Monday, my lord.
Tuesday I'll have. Tuesday fresh matters.
At
If
least
the CCTV footage doesn't come, I'll grant stay. ಹೆಂಗೋ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ.
First ಇದೆ.
Lord, I appear for the petitioner in this case. Lord, 15 and 16, Lord, it's the same case.
Concurrent or consecutive? Now you tell me, Satnarayan.
Lord, concurrent or consecutive, my lord, comes if there is a substantial.
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
And I am extremely sorry, my lord. I am extremely
sorry. I am asking whether the accused and the complainant are same.
My lord,
whether
the complainants are different. Complainants are different in both the cases.
So it is different transaction.
It is a different transaction, my lord. I am not on that, my lord.
If it is a different transaction, how will it run concurrent?
Please, my lord. My lord, I have surrendered in both the cases.
Maybe.
Separately on 15-9. My lord, in 15-9.
No, if it is different transaction, you give me a judgment which says that even if it is different transaction, the sentence should run concurrent and not consecutive.
My lord, in so far as, my lord, concurrent or consecutive sentence is, my lord, if there is a substantial sentence of imprisonment, my lord. If in regards to default sentence, my lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ fine matra. It is a default sentence. And my lord, I surrender in both the cases on 15-9. My lord, the learned magistrate, my lord, while remanding me to custody, doesn't say that first in one case it would happen and then my imprisonment in other case.
138.
Fine, it's not.
It concurrent only.
So one judgment is Justice Arli Nagaraj of his court. But
Lord, in fact, my lord, the apex court, my lord, in VK Bansal's case.
No, VK Bansal, I am aware.
Please, my lord, please.
VK Bansal was different transactions and different punishment.
There are different sentences, my lord, concurrent sentences.
Different sentences, true, but here it is not a sentence, Allah.
It is not a sentence, it is a default. And my lord, 427 would not apply, my lord, to a default sentence.
We'll see. Monday will pass out. Tuesday will pass out. Yes.
Grateful. My apologies, my lord. My health did not permit me.
That's all right. Don't worry. Yes.
Grateful.
Challenging the attachment of the immovable properties of the petitioner by the ED, my lords. Both the predicate offense.
Leonard, notice ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, copy ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Today I will serve the copy, my lords.
Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande forthwith.
My lords, may I insist on the stay, my lords, because he is a
First
senior.
serve a copy, sir.
I'll do that.
First do your job,
I'll do
then
that.
let him come. Yes. Next Friday, 13th. We'll consider on that day.
Yes.
18?
8 weeks time may be granted, my lord. I will file.
8 weeks time? A week's time.
ECR registered without an FIR being in place.
There is a stay, my
I've
lord.
granted
There is a
it.
stay. There is a protection.
List the matter at the request of the Council Madhukar Deshpande, list the matter on 13th. 20th objections, if any, by then.
By that time, I will file objections.
The interim order to be extended.
Interim order stands extended to the next date. Yes.
19?
One aspect which we just wanted to bring to the notice, my lords, we are given to understand from the authorities that there is an LOC based on this. So he's not in a position to travel, my lords. And a matter where B report having been accepted, my lords, 3 months later this ECIR is done. At least if they inform, it at least enables our travel, my lords.
Who is the originator?
The originator is from the ED. Because from the ED authorities, we came to know, don't travel, there's an LOC. That is, so it becomes very tough, my lords, movement gets restricted. Let them at least instruct them, my lords, that there's a stay and at least
The
travel.
learned senior counsel submits. The enforcement directorate has originated a LOC against the petitioner and he's stopped from traveling on that score. Instructions be sought on that ground as well.
Please.
As to why and how the LOC is generated. Yes.
20th.
My lords also wanted to know, can it be upgraded, my lords?
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Because ಒಂದು
Judgment of Allahabad High Court.
Punjab and Haryana, my lords.
Punjab and Haryana.
Punjab and Haryana, but that was a case, my lords. There were 11 FIRs. So when the ECIR was done, it was based on 3 FIRs. Then they did an addendum, added the other 8 FIRs. So it's not on the aspect of existence of 11 FIRs. That's how it is. I'll point that out, my lords.
That's the only judgment that says it
Yes,
can
my
be
lords.
appealed.
Otherwise, my lords, it's very clear on the schedule offense. So it becomes a big problematic affair otherwise.
Yeah, that's right.
Anytime if you're going to be adding one, just to make sure that your ECIR is safe. Vijay
No,
Madanlal Chowdhury's
that's what I
case
want to
becomes-
answer in those 2 cases. Yes. 20th.
Yes.
At the Learned Senior Counsel, Sandesh Chautanta.
My lords, this was a matter which came up and the notice was ordered.
Correct.
This was a case.
Copy has served yesterday. There is a conflict of interest, my lord. We are retaining the.
Conflict of interest?
My lord, the KDB employee.
KDB
the
employee,
petitioner. No, Lokayukta, but we have appeared for the KDB and the accused is the KDB employee.
I think you serve it on K. Prasanna Shetty.
Yes, my lord, this was a case I pointed out.
13(1)B.
Order under 17 is not there. Without an order under 17 itself, my lords, proceedings are going on. Other than that, no check period defined. Wife's income taken. So all the
we'll
3
answer it.
scores.
Yes, on Tuesday. You serve it on Prasanna Shetty. We'll take it on Tuesday. Heard the Learned Senior Counsel,
My lords,
Sandesh
could it
Chautanta.
be Wednesday?
Wednesday, fine. On 11th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Right.
Registered to print the
Sir,
name
all
of
the-
K. Prasanna Shetty.
All the cases between the parties is settled.
Yadu?
All the cases between these.
20.
20.
Drone Nimda. ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದು? ಇದೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈಗ this is a very, very interesting thing. Now a drone is said to have trespassed.
No, but there's an history for this drone.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಇದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು.
No, that's not the, what's happening. There was a rally was happening by Hindu organization. That area is dominated by Muslim people. So
Please see the FIR note. Please see what is stated in the FIR. None of this is stated in the FIR. Please see what they state in the FIR.
This is a matter to be stayed.
No, it's not just stay. There are many legal issues. Now I am
Correct.
under
You
constant
don't
threat of
stay.
interference.
You don't.
Stay as not. I will
yes.
just show your lordships. Just please see.
No,
Please see the drone.
Very interesting legal issue here.
36. It's a thermocol drone, a lightweight research prototype. Thermocol drone which weighs around 6 kgs. Not it was operated by a Chinese battery. So we have a premises leased in Dodbalapur, which is around 19 acres. So that premise is used for research and testing purposes. We have licenses from the DGCA. Not we supply to our end users are the Indian Army. Our drones are displayed at Republic Day parades. Not we are carrying out R&D testing on a regular basis for the last 4 or 5 years. Constantly, there'll either be a forest official or a police official who will threaten, how are you flying? What is your permission? Under Rule 42 of the drone rules, if I'm operating my drone under an R&D license in a green belt area and under my own premises, Lord, no one else except the DGCA has jurisdiction to enter into and question me.
Now, who has questioned?
The police have registered so moto FIR for criminal trespass. Not
of a drone.
Their allegation is that somebody has gone and placed that drone over there. And therefore has committed trespass. If somebody had gone and placed a drone there, the suspicion that it was a security risk would not have arisen. What has happened is that drone, not the Chinese battery, has had some malfunction during R&D testing. It has glided, it has glided and it's gone beyond the boundary and has landed over there. Because of that, they have registered an FIR, and that is not my grievance. One is the FIR. Second, please see not what I've stated at para 13, page 12 against this inspector of this police station. For 6 hours, the officials who went there claiming it is their drone with all the requisite licenses, the officials are made to sit there for 6 hours. And the inspector there have made specific allegations against him, has refused to give a copy of the FIR, has refused to give notices except if the MD of the company comes before the station. He has asked them questions of what is the size of the company, what is the turnover of the company, what are the employees. For 6 hours, just please see para 13. Despite repeated requests, the jurisdictional police inspector so and so refused to supply a copy of the FIR to the petitioner. Senior officials of the
So
petitioner.
should have made him a party by name.
I will make him a party by name. Please summon him not. He has to be explain how.
No, but we should have made him a party by name.
I've made the SHO a party by name. The inspectors in personal capacity, my lord, your lordship always have power and 482.
What he said, dots are connected now, why he has behaved like that. Anyway, yes.
If police. Lord,
Wait.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಸಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಯರ್ಗಳ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಆತರ ಇವರು ಕೇಳಿ
ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ okay.
And the
heard the learned counsel Angad Kamath appearing for the petitioner. The case projects a unique crime registered against an inanimate object. A drone is said to have trespassed into a particular area. So the offense of criminal trespass is now alleged against a drone. The petitioner is said to be a company who manufactures drones for the Indian Army,
Indian Armed Forces.
Indian Armed Forces, and has a license for research and development for flying the drone in the green zone of Doddaballapura. The battery of the drone is said to have had some malfunction when it was in air and glides down into the neighboring property. There was no complaint by any quarter whatsoever. But a policeman by name Sadiq Pasha, the police inspector, is said to have evinced interest more than necessary on the drone. And drone, despite showing the licenses of flying the drone in the green zone, have made all the officers of the company to sit in the police station for more than 6 hours, is the averment in the petition. And have later registered the crime without supplying a copy of the FIR, or otherwise to the petitioner. The learned counsel Angad Kamath submits that in terms of the drone rules, the police have no jurisdiction whatsoever to question with regard to the usage of the drone, but it is only the Director General of Civil Aviation who has jurisdiction to question. Therefore, the Karsana.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ FIR was registered first. FIR was registered first.
Copy ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ FIR.
ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Therefore, the said police inspector Sadiq Pasha, through the station house officer, shall file an affidavit as to why affidavit on the averments made in the petition, failing which a direction for appropriate action would be taken, as it is an admitted fact that no copy of the FIR was served upon the petitioners.
Now there's a legal issue, my lord, your lordship will have to clarify. In fact, it was only after the learned SPP had intervened that we got a copy of the FIR after 6 hours. Unless his office not had intervened, we would not have got a copy of the FIR. The inspector claims to be an LLB graduate and was informing us that under the BNSS, it is only the informant who is entitled to the copy of the FIR. Now 173(2) says that the informant is entitled to a copy of the FIR free of cost. That does not mean that the accused, when he requests for a copy of the FIR, the police can withhold the copy of that.
It should be uploaded on the website, known to everybody.
It should be, and if
Maybe
it is
Annexure
for
B.
that is not.
Annexure B, you should have attached. Annexure B, your lordship, if you page 28. That itself should have been, notice should have been attached. That
it was registered on 29.
FIR should be uploaded on the website. It should be accessible to everybody. Where is the question of keeping the FIR as a confidential document?
Adenakandre, because once we find out that is bailable offenses, you know, my lord,
Yes, that's
the
what.
threat of arrest is not there, and then the monetization.
We'll
also.
answer that also.
Yes.
Yes, there shall be an interim order of stay of all investigation pursuant to the registration of the crime in crime number 24 of 2026 till the next date of hearing. List the matter on 13.
Briefly.
Yes.
Admission 21.
Lordship, this is also trespass, but not faulty, not
Animate.
faulty Chinese battery, but faulty husband. Your Lordship, this is a matter which your Lordship in the connected matter had already quashed proceedings as against accused 7. And that went to Honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court upheld your Lordship's order. And that, your Lordship's order is at page 44, your Lordship.
Oh, this CCTV.
CCTV,
Oh,
please.
friend.
Please. And your lordship, the difficulty is for the last almost 1.5, 2 years, they've been taking time for objections. Our difficulty is this, the sister's husband, the brother-in-law and others, they've not been able to even travel. The passport authorities have not even willing to extend.
Ivattu time ಬೇಕಾ?
I'm a proxy counsel, my lord. Your lordship may kindly have it tomorrow or day after
We'll
tomorrow.
dispose it now.
Please.
We'll allow quashed.
My lord,
If you're
tomorrow or
not
day after
interested in
tomorrow,
arguing the
my lord.
matter tomorrow,
My lord,
yes, 2020 order sheet is more than the petition.
very well, my lord. I was just instructed in time, my lord. Your lordship may kindly have it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll
List the
inform
matter on
the-
Tuesday. Nangu
Please.
time will.
Tuesday.
Please.
Very
Heard
well.
the learned senior counsel Lakshmi Iyengar appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on Tuesday for admission. The respondent has gone on seeking adjournment after adjournment for the last 3 years. Therefore, as a last chance, list this matter on Tuesday. In the event the respondent would not make submissions, petition would be disposed on hearing the counsel appearing for the senior counsel appearing for the petition.
Great.
Great. Obliged.
Interim order stands extended till the
Please.
next date of hearing. Next. 23, madam. 23 is it will be Wednesday, madam. 24 matter, it will be on Wednesday, same.
22. My lord, between the parties, the disputes were settled. I have produced all necessary documents. Along with the memo.
22 ಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದು.
My lord, for
ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ.
R2, we are not aware about this.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್
ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈಫ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್?
We are not aware. We'll take the steps.
ಆಲ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಶ್ಡ್.
It may be.
Divorce
taken up-
petition also closed, maintenance petition also closed.
The petitioners are before this court calling in question registration proceedings in CC 330 of 2024 registered for the following offences. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the parties to the list were before the family court in OS 48 of 2025 and have filed a joint memo for and are living together happily. The joint memo reads as follows, document number 1. The learned counsel further identical joint memos are filed, are placed before the court, all of which clearly indicate closure of all the crimes, all the proceedings between the two. In the light of the petitioner and the wife, husband and the wife living together on account of a settlement, further proceed on account of a settlement, the petition deserves to petition succeeds. So disposed, quashed. The wife is at liberty to revive the proceedings if they are not living together or the settlement has not arrived at. Yes. Yes. Next.
Much of.
Your Lordship, I appear for petitioner. This is
I appear for the
matter, Your
respondent, my
Lordship,
lords. It's a failed trap case, my lords.
Failed trap.
Failed trap, yes, please,
Failed
your lordship.
trap, and Your Lordship, I am
Kindly
filing.
have it
But charge frame ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, your ground is 17A ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
No, but Your
Charge
Lordship,
ಎಲ್ಲ
there is
frame
no-
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ no
there-
17A.
My lord, there is no acceptance, there is no demand, my lord.
ಅದು you should come on that. ಬರೀ ಪೂರ್ತಿ petition ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬರೀ 17A ಇದೆ. Where is 17A applicable after
It won't.
at the
start
stage of
case,
framing
it
of
will not.
charges?
No, I am not raising that.
Why did you
But it
plead
is
all
there,
that?
petition, yes, my lord.
Yes, ಅದು ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ?
And Your
19th.
Lordship, last application, Your
19th,
Lordship
Your
directed me to submit synopsis, my lord, I am.
ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. List the matter.
Along
on
with citations, my lord.
20 ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? 19th ಹಾಕಿ. Yes, list on 19th. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date. Next.
Petitioner husband, my lord. I am for petitioner.
Presenting the proposed terms of settlement.
In the last occasion, there was a settlement, there was a proposed from the wife, my lord. We are
I think
agreed.
settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
We have sent the terms of the settlement, my lord, but they have not replied to the.
Nor they have responded to us. my lords. There is only one
I will
point.
vacate the interim order. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? Will vacate it now. If you are dodging the problem, then I'll vacate it.
Morning only, we have sent the settlement terms, my lord, but they have not replied to the
Morning, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
No, we have sent ours
Yesterday night,
yesterday,
they
my
have
lord.
sent the
List
proposed.
matter on
My lord, sir, one submission. my lord.
13th.
The clash is only as far as one point is concerned, 2 points are concerned. my lord. Visitation rights, they are not ready to give. We are okay with them having the custody of the child. Visitation right, they are absolutely putting a bar.
Why, sir? I will grant you. Yes. If they are putting a bar, I will
No, my
grant.
lord, in this, as per their settlement, they are demanding 10,000
That
rupee
we have
per
dropped.
month
We have dropped.
maintenance, my lord.
We have dropped, my lords, we have dropped. I've consulted.
Visitation rights ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
We are ready, madam. We are ready, my lord.
It should be a fair deal, not a raw deal. Let the wife not behave smart. All right?
We are ready to give visitation right.
Yes.
And there are
Then
certain.
draw appropriate settlement and come.
And there are certain documents, original documents of our properties which are with their custody.
They are
There's
not
in the
holding
West
any
Coast.
documents, my lord. We don't have any original documents pertaining to the property in the name of the wife, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು? Have you produced it? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಗಾಳಿಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇದೆ sir. Proposed terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I can present it.
If they deny that, we'll see later.
Yes, yes.
Next, the list on 13th. Yes.
Great.
55.
We are settling the matter, my lord. Offense
304 A. ಇವತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೋಮವಾರ.
He has to go abroad, my lord. He has to go abroad.
ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಇವತ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇವತ್ತು ನೈಟೇ? ಓಹೋ. ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
26.
26, my lord.
26. ಅದೇ.
Additional charge sheet has also been filed. Various
Already filed,
Yes, my lord. Various document discloses the role played by the accused.
Maybe pass over or it may be taken on Monday or
Wednesday. Fresh matters. Next. Thursday, sorry.
Thursday, Friday.
13th ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes.
57.
Appear for petition. Minutes, now settlement tax for going and minutes, it has been materialized.
Settlement tax,
please minutes. As per my instructions, it has been materialized.
I am
The
not
only
for
thing
any
is, minutes,
settlement.
it has to
It has
be
been
done.
materialized ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
I am not for any. May I just request your lordship to kindly have a cursory look at the proceeding sheet of the case which came
Yes,
to be recorded on the previous date of hearing.
There is a conditional order.
ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್?
Entry matter vacate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, but the thing is, minutes
No
settlement has been
adjournment will be
materialized.
granted in the event no submission entry order would stand automatically vacated.
Till Tuesday, minutes.
With lordship's permission, the same parties, same transaction, one more petition pending, 12,674.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಯಾವ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ what is this?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. Kindly turn to paragraph 21, 23 and 24 of the petition. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓದ್ತೀರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. 21. That is the criminal petition which they have filed.
Material inconsistency.
Offense has not been committed in the manner as alleged by the prosecution.
But it is committed.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, next to 23 ನೋಡ್.
ಏನ್ what's the matter, sir?
My lord, your lordship may recall to your lordship's memory, my lord, certain financial statements which are palpably false, fabricated, and got up came to be put into my hands for the purpose of inducing me, my lord, virtually nothing short of inducing me, my lord, to make investments in their company. And subsequently, they would even, subsequent to the registration of the crime, they would even go before the NCLT. And last time I invited my lord's attention and placed also there, my lord, before the NCLT, they would say, this honorable court may be pleased to allow the applicant to revise the financial statements for 23-24.
So
nothing short of admitting the guilt. Even in paragraph 21 of the petition, they would admit the guilt.
Yes, sir.
That is not.
My lord, after I invited my lord's kind attention to this application which came to be filed by the accused before the NCLT, your lordship would pass that order.
Yes, sir.
With respect to time is concerned, till Tuesday, minutes. If
We are not for any settlement. Your lordship may kindly record my submission.
Who told you settlement ಅಂತ?
That's for my instruction. Senior senior.
With the lordship's
Till Tuesday,
permission,
minutes.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್?
This one number 2.
We are for the petitioners, not the.
You have a settlement with them also?
No, my lord, he is the complainant.
Between the same parties.
Same parties, same transaction. One more petition is there. It might taken together.
No. My lord, that is in relation to a motor car.
Yes.
The car has been given to me.
Anyway,
Return the car back anta.
ಈಗ submissions ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. would stand automatically vacated ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It will automatically get vacated. Tuesday, Thursday ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please.
It may be called along with another petition.
ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾರು ನಾನು ಥೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
Complainant has stolen the car.
No, no. You have given the car
Then-
for use, they have paid money, 50 lakh.
Then what is the
This
offense?
is the difference of allegations, here, Lordship.
Thursday, fresh matters.
Whether the interim order continues or
Thursday, fresh.
please.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ?
Please.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ ಪುನಃ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೋ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits talks of settlement. Settlement is on and has also materialized. The learned senior counsel C. V. Nagesh appearing for the complainant submits that there are no talks of settlement and they are not willing for any settlement. The matter is to be decided on its merit.
Please, Madam.
Though this court had indicated on the last occasion that if submissions are not made, the interim order would get automatically vacated. Showing indulgence as a last chance, list the matter on Thursday in fresh matters list.
Deeply obliged.
No adjournment would be granted on any score whatsoever. Interim order subject to the aforesaid continues.
28.
Petition regarding maintenance call.
Maintenance.
And for the respondent, my lords, I pray for short accommodation, my lords. I need
27th,
file my documents.
list after 2 weeks, interim order at the request of the council appearing with the petition, list after 2 weeks, interim order continues. Next.
Please, my lord.
9.
My lord, I appeal for the.
Appeals for petitioner, my lords.
Second
Very
case.
short time for
Very short time, no grants time. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ವೈಫ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
My lord,
Not well.
my lord, I would like to
ಹೇಳಿ.
make one submission. I appeal for the second respondent complaint. First respondent state is represented by the learned
That's all right,
additional
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
SPP. My lords, this case is covered by the judgment. Criminal petition 10047.
What is under challenge?
This was passed on the 8th day of
So what
January.
is under challenge?
My lord, the petitioner sought for quashing of the entire proceedings pending on the file of the additional session judge in special case number 876/2000. The offenses.
Co-accused ಗೆ ತಾವೇ quash ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
Quash ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Dismiss ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಟ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ತೊಳಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಇದು?
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
4 and 5.
Matter was remitted back.
Yes.
Still co-accused ಅವರು.
House.
Same special CC.
This you have accused.
4 and 5.
The petitioners are accused 4 and 5. Que, the accused number 1. This court disposed the petition on 8 January 2026. Oh, idu ESI.
Oh, sorry, yes, sir. Sexual harassment.
Massage. Yes. This court quashed the proceedings, allowed the petition in part and remitted the matter back to the hands of the concerned court. Since the finding rendered while disposing the petition que, the accused number 1 would become applicable to the case of the petitioner as well. They are accused 4 and 5. In that light, same order. Disposed. Yes.
Much obliged.
30.
Answer? Yes.
Appear for petition, my lord. The husband filed the complaint against the wife, my lord.
Husband filed?
The complaint against the wife.
Yes, sir.
Before that,
infectious ಇದೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Filing
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
no, my lord, after stay granted by the honorable court, they filed the charge
Date ಏನು?
My lord, 29/10 my lord.
Charge sheet date ಏನು?
Lord, it was on 18/12/2025.
29th October stay has been granted by the son.
ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ my lord.
ಏನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ my lord, one humble submission if you may let me pass it. my lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಥೆಫ್ಟ್, ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಮಿಡೇಷನ್. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ my lord.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್?
ಸರ್ಚ್ ವಾರೆಂಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ಚೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಥೆಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆ. In that case,
ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
my lord, in case if you have to further challenge it before the magistrate court,
ಮಾಡಿ
stay ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಈಗ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನ್ yes, what's the matter, tell me.
The incident happened on the wife.
Now who is the complainant?
Husband, my lord.
Husband against the wife.
Wife and in-laws, my lord. First thing is, the incident took place on July 2024, my lord. Our alleged incident. Then 10/9/2024 notice has been issued by the wife regarding the cruelty and other grounds. They will reply the notice on 13/9/2024. There is no allegation about the theft is concerned.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ?
15 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಣ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ.
my lord, one humble
ಅದು ಅಲಿಮನಿಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್.
ಇವನ್ RCR ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. RCR ಇವರೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್.
Husband, you should come up with a better
my lord, I completely agree my lord.
ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we will not permit.
Yes my lord, I
15 ಲಕ್ಷ
completely
ವೈಫ್
agree.
ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ, ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
my lord, ಅದಲ್ಲ my lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ my lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದು, see if that was the case, if I have filed RCR,
ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ?
I'll submit few points if my lordship it
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
my lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ PCR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೋದು in the month of November for the offenses which are happened in July. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆವತ್ತಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಾಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ they claim that after the registration of my complaint in the jurisdiction police station, they right away go and file a 498 in Andhra Pradesh, which is pending before the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, again they'll go for a degree of divorce. Degree is being granted ex parte. They have played a fault in the registration of address. ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ my lord. My only contention is I will produce the bills which I have purchased. 150 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಿನ್ನ ಅದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಿದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್. ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they have acknowledged.
Who has acknowledged?
The wife has acknowledged, the petitioner number 3. ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ,
ಅಲ್ಲ, acknowledge that she has taken it.
Yes.
Where is it?
my lord, it is not on record. ಯಾರು ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು they will never acknowledge my lord. It is a family discussion.
So it is ಗಾಳಿ versus ಗಾಳಿ.
my lord, entire case is just like that my lord. my lord, one humble submission if you bear my lord. my lord, petition instructors ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ. I will at least get an opportunity to challenge my lord. If not, I will be lost with my entire life savings.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Get the charge sheet material. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. Charge sheet could not have been filed. 29/10/25 already granted stay. The coordinate bench has granted stay. How did you file the charge sheet? The coordinate bench of this court on 29/10/2025 had granted stay of all further investigation arising out of crime number 134 of 2025. Notwithstanding the same, the officer in charge of the police station is said to have filed the final report, i.e. the charge sheet on 29/12/2025, 2 months after the grant of the interim order. Therefore, the officer in charge shall explain as to why action should not be taken against him for committing contempt of the order dated 29/10/2025. The explanation shall be submitted by way of an affidavit of the officer in charge of the police station who has filed the charge sheet despite the interim order being granted on 29/10/2025. Lest the matter on 20th, interim order subsisting will continue to the next.
my lord, this may be taken on record my lord. I memo is for infectious.
Goodies. Yes.
my lord, at least let me have an opportunity to challenge the charge sheet in the matter.
Why are you challenging the charge sheet?
my lord, I'll be lost with my entire life
No,
savings.
sir, there is an interim order granted by coordinate bench.
Yes, my lord.
They dare not file the charge sheet. They could not have filed it. If they have filed it, they have committed contempt.
Yes,
so you don't, that's between the court and them, don't worry.
No, my lord. One last submission, my lord.
And wife has taken ತಾನೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
my lord, ಆತರ ಅಲ್ಲ my lord. One humble submission. my lord, 150 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಿನ್ನ. I have the bills. ಮತ್ತೆ 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ನನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. They have not.
ಅವರೇ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು?
my lord, let them investigate.
Why sir?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is a half-hearted charge sheet.
You should come up with a better husband should come up with a better defense. on the wife if you want to settle scores or arm twist. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿ ಇನ್ ಏರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಕ್
I'll give you the entire documents, mortgage deed ಇದೆ.
ಇದಿರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. So what? ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೋ ನೀವೇ ಎತ್ತಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
If that was the case, let them investigate and B report ಆದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾಕೆ why should the wife face rigmarole of investigation? You have kept it somewhere. Gold and documents kept it somewhere and putting on the wife. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ these are all ಹಳೆ 1960-65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. 2025 sir. Yes.
Grateful.
51.
For the petitioner, my lords. My lords, despite having an order of injunction, my lords, a charge sheet is filed for trespass, my lords.
Time for R2 my lord.
ಈಗ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ
Respondent 2 my lord.
ಈಗಲೂ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ?
My lords, order of injunction, my lords, is at page 76, my lords.
Page
My lord, 68, my lords. 68, my lords.
Sir, 2013.
Please, my lord.
Suit is pending?
Suit is pending, my lords.
You are in possession?
I'm in possession of the property.
You are the plaintiff?
I am the plaintiff, my lords. In the 2013 suit, my lords, 2 other suits are filed by the respondent, my lords.
No injunction?
No injunction, my lords.
ಇದೇನು 2021 order? MFA?
My lords, all the 3 suits were challenged before this honorable court, my lords.
Confirmed?
My lords, status quo was ordered, my lords.
The injunction is still operating in your favor?
Injunction is still operating, my lords.
Senior ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಈಗೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
My lords, our CCB police are coming before my building, my lords. I have rented out my building to corporate companies, my lords. My lords, even after filing the charge sheet, my lords, they are before my building, my lords. I am unable to run my business, my lords.
You run your business?
My lords, but there's an order of injunction in my favor, my
List
lords.
the matter on 24 either 35.
25.
Coordinate bench has not granted stays. Wait. The list the matter on 13th. 13th ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? List the matter on 13th in fresh matters list. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he is the plaintiff in OS 2591 of 2013 and an order of injunction is operating in his favor. 2 suits are filed by the complainant. Injunction is not granted. All of which come before this court in 3 miscellaneous first appeals. The order of status quo is directed to be maintained by the coordinate bench of this court. Then comes the impugned crime. Impugned crime on the score of trespass. Therefore, the petitioner who is in possession of the property cannot be alleged of trespass into his own property. However, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent seeks a week's time. List the matter on 13th in the fresh matters list. In the event no submissions are made, this court will be constrained to grant an interim order on the aforesaid reasons.
32.
Yes.
Lordship, in respect of the respondent number 2, it's morning file the wakalat, my lord.
Morning file?
R2, my lord, wakalat.
ಯಾವಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು?
I have already 9,56,707 rupees refunded.
ಅವತ್ತು ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು 1,27,000 rupees ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ ನಾವು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ 1,27,000.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೇನು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮೇಲೆ
The learned, this court on 19/1/2026 had passed the following order. The allegation was that the petitioner had set up a Nirmiti Kendra and had hoodwinked the farmers by taking huge money from them. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that all the money is returned to the farmers except 1,37,000 to the complainant. If that be so, the same be deposited before this court by the next 1 week. The learned additional SPP to secure instructions as to whether all the farmers have received back the money it's only then indulgence will be shown to the petitioner. List on 20th.
Lordship, kindly put up the wakalat in behalf of respondent.
Registry Lucky. Yes.
33.
498-34 TP Act General. After filing the charge sheet.
Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, mediation settle ಆಗಿದೆ.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆ.
Page number 48 ಮೇಲೆ. Page number 48.
Mediation ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Page number 48 ಮೇಲೆ. Agreed to already paid 5 lakh rupees with all lakh rupees.
Where is the complainant?
Complaint ಅವರು UK ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರಂತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
UK. A surgery copy hospital last date appearing direct me to surgery copy to respondent counsel. A surgery and serve also.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ settlement terms ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Page number 48 ಮೇಲೆ. 48 mediation settle. Then page number 49 para number 3 man. Para number 3. It is agreed to pay 5 lakhs. Sounds on with gold ornament.
Okay, para 3 and para 8. We'll close this one. Both matters. ಅದು ಯಾರಿದಾರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
And para 8 next petition mail. That's along with
same.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Please.
34.
For petitioner, my lord. Petitioner, my lord. Fair, my lord. PF is fair. Interim order to be PF clearly.
Split. Yes, government.
That's it's theft of gold mallards in.
Yes, split. Acquit ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ theft of gold ಅಲ್ಲಿ split theft of gold. This is the matter on 20th. ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Yes.
35.
Coordinate bench quashed the proceedings against accused number 11.
ಕೊಡಿ.
These accused are also standing.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್?
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವರು.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತಾ?
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೀವು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Book is quashed by coordinate bench.
ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದ್ರ ತಾನೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು?
KPSC scam 98.
ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅವರು ಅದು ಹಂಗಂತ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರೀಸ್.
They got the highest marks in this case. If I'm correct, it's the same.
So non-beneficiaries. We are not beneficiaries.
You
we have not been selected for the
select ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರೀಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 ಜನ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
A7 A8 A11
ಎಸ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಜ್ 68 ಸೇಮ್ ಅವರು ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರೀಸ್. ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್
ಸಬ್ಕಮಿಟಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ irresistible in inference is that they may be colluded ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಸಚಿನ್ ಮುಗ್ದುಮರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು.
35 for 36.
To move the vacation bench. Alla previous.
On the last.
What's the matter?
It's a dispute pertaining to a property at Amunji village, my lord.
Which village?
Sorry, my lord.
Which village?
Amunji village, my lord, in Bangalore. It's owned by the wife of the petitioner and his daughter, my lord. What had happened is, the respondent number 2 had trespassed on the property and we had filed a complaint which an NCR got registered. Then we filed a suit, my lord. That suit, temporary injunction is granted in our favor.
Page.
Restraining them from.
Page.
42, sir.
Now the allegation is trespass.
Allegation is trespass and.
Outraging.
ಅದೇ ಬರೋದು ವಾಪಸ್. ಇಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ 354 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The petitioner is heard the learned counsel Sanya Amale appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is the plaintiff. In OS 347 of 2025, the complainant, the defendant. Correct me if it's wrong. Complainant, the defendant. The injunction is granted answering an application in Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 by the concerned court against the complainant. Immediately thereafter springs the subject complaint alleging offences under section 115, 189, 191, 351 and 329, mainly on trespass. If the petitioner is in possession and is armed with an order of injunction, it is ununderstandable as to how the petitioner can trespass into his own property. The complaint is registered prima facie as a counterblast to what the petitioners what the petitioners have instituted in OS so and so. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Next.
37. I'm appearing for the petitioner, Your Lordship. The charge sheet in this matter has been filed, and the petition may kindly be dismissed with liberty to the petitioner, Your Lordship. To,
Yes,
challenge
yes, madam. Yes.
38.
30?
38.
38. But SC/ST atrocities case has been registered by the president of the panchayat. My lord, the complaint is in the nature of a resolution, and it has been lodged after 6 days, my lord, delay, saying that, my lord, the PDO, petitioner is a PDO, my lord, she did not go to the chamber of the president, who belongs to the community.
Where is the?
Lord, the complaint, my lord, the handwritten complaint, my lord, it's
ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ
CH-16.
ಅವ್ಯಾಚ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ನಿಂದಿಸಿರುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದೂರು.
My lord, all the members.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
Photos ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ.
What do you mean?
Kindly see the photo.
How can you not
page
go?
31. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. My lord, this
Heard
is
the
only a
learned
political-
senior counsel Arun Shyam appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is Panchayat Development Officer. The respondent complainant, the president of another
Gram Panchayat.
president, president of the Gram Panchayat. The allegation against the petitioner is that the petitioner did not participate in what, sir? Another?
The Valmiki Jayanti.
We did not participate in Valmiki Jayanti. The
Did not attend the chambers.
Valmiki Jayanti by coming into the chamber of the president. Thus springs the offense under the Atrocities Act and Atrocities Act.
350.
And
352.
And 352, which is 506 of the 506 of the earlier regime, the IPC. This again forms a classic illustration of abuse and misuse of the provisions of the Atrocities Act by the respondent. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner did attend all the ceremonies that were arranged on the said date. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of all investigation in crime number 371 of 2025 till the disposal of the petition. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Next.
39.
Appear for the respondent. Surely, we filed a vacating of IA today, my lord. With documents filed ಮಾಡಿ.
Put up agilva? Copy ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸರ್ವ.
The learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the application seeking vacation of the interim order is served on them today. Objections, if any, to the said application by the next date, list the matter on 26th. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes.
40.
My lord, happy for the petitioners, my lord. KIDB matter.
ಬಂತಾ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
All the matters connected together, my lord.
Yes, sir.
State offense.
Now predicate and ಇದು both.
Please. Lord, I seek, my lord, only 6-7 days time, my lord, because I will have to brief senior, my lord. 16th.
ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ನಡೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Clear. My lord, in same crime numbers, my lord, some of the accused. have
ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ
also-
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದರ petition?
My lord, insofar as these are the petitions which have been filed by me, my lord.
All
But
right.
some other accused have also filed it, my lord. They are also
No,
pending.
anyway, this ED offense springs from these predicate offenses?
Yes, my lord. 251 and.
ಅಷ್ಟ್ ಸಾಕು.
No, my lord, my submission before this court, that in predicate offense, some other accused have also filed, my lord.
That's okay, sir. Now, as far as you are
I am
concerned,
concerned, my lord.
these are the predicate offense, IPC offenses files, correct? So ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದು?
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
Please.
ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು
My
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
lord, on 16th,
16th?
Monday.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಎಸ್, ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ 16th ಮಂಡೇ ಬೇಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅವಿನಾಶ್?
17th.
ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ.
17th.
17? 25 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್?
25, 26, or 23rd.
No. 17th fresh matters.
Please.
Heard the learned counsel Avinash Angadi appearing for the petitioner. Bless the matter on 17th.
Lord, the interim orders.
Interim orders will continue to the next. ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ? Interim orders subsisting in any of these cases shall continue till the next date of hearing.
But insofar as ED's case is concerned, my lord, but his marriage is on 9th, my lord.
So ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ED ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿನಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? My lord, the submissions have been mentioned in the order sheet, my lord, but ultimately, my lord, your lordship has to pass an order, because in the order, this court has mentioned that the counsel for the petitioner mentions like this, but there is no order, specific order, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. It only says that these are the submissions made by the petitioner.
ಹೌದಾ? ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Hence this list this matter on such a such.
NBW ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
Please, my lord. NBW ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
My lord, I had gone there. My lord, I was about
9th
to file.
in marriage.
Please.
The petitioner submits that he is getting married on the 9th of this month. Therefore, the respondent prosecution shall not disturb the petitioner on the day of his marriage or till the next date of hearing.
Please.
Till the next date. ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪೆರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟಿವ್ಗಳಿಗೆ 10 ದಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್.
41.
And for a second respondent, my lord.
R2 has filed objections. In the objections itself, they have not denied any of the averments which I have made. And they have repeated the same thing which is already in the complaint.
ಸರಿ, ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ.
My lord, there are serious allegations.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
And the matter is at the stage of investigation. And 164 statement is also recorded by the second respondent and the children. My lord, a person who is taking an advantage of a helplessness and vulnerability of a lady.
1 minute.
Look, these are all very
And taken
bad
2 and
allegations without any document.
Oh, iವ್ರದಾ?
Without any evidences, without any documentary support, and she is contradicting in the same statements which she has given in the MC petition maintenance.
My lord, MC petition is drafted by him only. MC petition is drafted by him. He was a
And
lawyer.
the verifying affidavit she has clearly mentioned. So that means that whatever the advocate
I
says.
told you Allah, why do you what all this?
My lord, today the bail matter is listed, my lord. Already his anticipatory bail before the sessions court is rejected.
On
And
very filmy
there are
grounds, my lord, saying that a woman.
You challenge that, sir.
Look, since 22nd of January, it is getting listed, my lord, but it has.
No,
not
today it
been
is listed, my lord, serial number 45.
And your lordships had not stayed the investigations, my lord. I have cooperated with the investigations. I have given my statement. Police have issued me notice under BNS section.
ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅದು?
Yes, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Before
Total
total
number
19.
19. All right.
Lord, since 22nd, it is coming on every day, my lord, but the matter is not.
22nd January.
Since 22nd January till date. Let my learned colleague.
No, it was in the third list, then it moves to second list. Now today it is in the first list.
And it is in serial number 45.
Bail mat.
Yes, my lord.
And today there are totally 7 lists, my lord, as per the checking yesterday. and mine is in cause list 1, serial number 45.
It'll reach, buddy.
It might not reach, my lord, because usually after not more than 30 matters.
That's.
My lord, all these are very plain and bad allegations.
Wait,
And
wait,
in fact, my lord,
I am
when
not
she was
on,
in
I
court-
am not on merit. Today it is at 45. I will take it on, you're cooperating with the investigation?
My lord, no, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, I have serious
cooperated.
objection here, my
Whenever
lord.
they have called, I've gone. The police have even made me sit for more than 3 or 4 hours in the
If
police
he allows
station.
me, then I'll
Even
speak
after
something.
Going, I am an advocate.
Arrested here.
It is not under section 6. It was very abstract reading. I even have a copy of the application protection. Performance of the duty is threatened. Authority shall take necessary. When it is just the authority, then it shall copy.
He kept them in his farmhouse. That is, they have taken all the jewelry. Kept the.
No, this is only part application. Where did I take?
There are the-
And even the government.
Witnessed.
40? 42?
Split mill.
Split up.
Split.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question the continuance of proceedings in SC 18 of 2024, notwithstanding the other co-accused getting acquitted in CC 20066 of 2007. Heard so and so. The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime. Oh, the Kantirava Stadium though. 2007. The petitioner gets him.
SC number 760 of 2007.
The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime, in crime number 53 of 2007, which is tried by the concerned court later as SC 760 of 2007. The petitioner accused number accused number 2 at the relevant point in time was not available for trial. The other accused who were available for trial were tried and acquitted by an order of the concerned court dated of the ಯಾವತ್ತಪ್ಪ acquittal?
Acquittal dated, my lord, is
ಅದೇ
4th June
ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
2008.
On
4th June 2008.
on 4th June 2008, the petitioner, after 16 years, is found somewhere and is now being hunted down for the purpose of continuance of trial. Though the accused who would not cooperate with the trial or escape trial should not be shown any indulgence, the permitting further trial against the petitioner would only end up in acquittal. As the co-accused on the same reasons have been acquitted, the reasons so rendered would become applicable to the petitioner as well. Only to save precious judicial time, I deem it appropriate to exercise my jurisdiction under 482/528 of the so and so and obliterate the crime, obliterate the proceedings against the petitioner, the view of mine.
Have one citations.
Yeah,
My
yes, sir.
lord's
Parallel.
citations. Identical.
No problem.
43.
The view of mine.
For the petitioner in this matter. Offense is 192A and 192B of KLR Act, my lord. This petitioner has been shown as accused number 8 in crime number 379.
Adonde illa.
Yes, my lord.
406, 420.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Well, so for my lord, the case has been registered against this petitioner along with other co-accused, my lord, in numbering 16, my lord. This petitioner has been arraigned as accused number 8, my lord. Well, my lord, I would like to draw your kind attention to the annexure B, my lord, the complaint, my lord.
Yen ಹೇಳಿ.
And so far as my lord, the grade 2 Tahsildar of Anekal Taluk has registered a case against all the accused persons with respect to forging of documents are concerned, my lord.
Bhu Suraksha Yojana.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And so far as my lord, this petitioner is concerned, my lord, this petitioner has been transferred, was transferred on 5/8/2023, which is prior to 2 years before the incident, my lord, before the lodging of complaint, my lord. At annexure C.
Complaint ಅಲ್ಲ, ಭೂ ಸುರಕ್ಷಾ ಯೋಜನಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, my lord. ಅದು 28/11/2024 that has been introduced by the honorable
ನೀವು
government.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Now 5/8/2023 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. I am relieved on 5/8/2023.
ಇದು 23/8 ಬಂತಾ?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Then additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Respondents complaint anyway.
The other complainant is, they all, they forged the records.
But
Let the investigation, he may not be there, may
he may not
protect
be
him, but let him cooperate with the investigation.
ಅಲ್ಲ, but he is not there ಅಲ್ಲ.
Yes, my lord. On 5/8/2023.
What post were you holding? Tahsildara?
Summe?
ನೀವು ಯಾರು? ಏನು?
FDA, my lord.
The petitioner is a first division assistant. The allegation is forging of documents under the scheme Bhu Suraksha Yojana. The petitioner is said to have been relieved from the said place on 5/8/2023.
Yes, my lord.
On his transfer, the allegation is the documents pertaining to the said Yojana has been forged and huge loss is caused to the state. While the petitioner was not even present after the Yojana came into existence, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, further investigation by the petitioner. However, the petitioner, if needed, shall cooperate with the investigation, not as an cooperate with the investigation in unearthing. ಬೇಕಾ ಇವರು?
ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there is some allegations.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊಮ್ಮೆ. There is no specific allegation against this petitioner is concerned, my lord.
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ.
ಕೆ.
Raghavendra, my lord.
Accused number?
Accused number 8, my lord. In para number 7, my lord. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
23 ವರೆಗೂ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇವರ
23 ವರೆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್
Yes.
ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಇಂದನೇ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Records have been forged in 2021 ಅಂತ.
ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ತಿಪ್ಟೂರ್ ಯೋಜನೆ.
Other people have.
21 ಇಂದ forgery ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ there is no specific allegations in the complaint, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
Yes,
Stay ಬೇಡ, they will not take coercive steps. Yes. The petitioner shall cooperate with the investigation, but the respondent state will not take any coercive steps against the petitioner in the garb of conduct of investigation, nor the petitioner would be harassed. Just plain cooperation.
Much of it.
ಅದು so and so ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ.
So far,
The
arrest is
learned
concerned.
additional SPP submits that the act of forgery is alleged right from 2021. In that light, petitioner shall cooperate. So it's yes.
Much of it.
44.
The one raised by the complainant, Lord, was the subject matter in WP number 2773. Lord, will now kindly see page.
Yes, Jagdish.
MMRD.
MMRD.
Lord, the demand raised by the respondent, my lord, complainant, was a subject matter in before the Honorable Division Bench. The Honorable Division Bench has granted an interim order subject to deposit of 50%, my lord.
ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. My lords will get it at.
That's page 114.
Yes.
Yes.
223 not follow ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
Cognizance.
ಹೌದು.
Before taking cognizance, my lord,
We'll send it back then.
ಅದನ್ನೇ
Please.
ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
We'll send it back, but not today.
Please,
Tuesday, fresh matters.
one more connected matter is also.
Kodi, number.
615, my lord.
Tag this petition along with 615.
Please.
45.
1A of the PC Act.
13-1A.
Of the PC Act. Kindly see, my lord, the complaint is dated 2020. The FIR is stated, my lord, in
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ last time ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
Yes,
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು?
kindly see, my lord, there is a pointed query asked by the Lokayukta, which is annexurial page 82, wherein, my lord, there is a information sought for, my lord, by the Lokayukta PMP, saying, my lord, to furnish the information insofar as, my lord, who are the officers relevant at that point of time, during the complaint period. To which, my lord, there is a BBMP has replied. The very next annexure, my lord, is at annexurium page 84. My name is not forthcoming. That apartment have taken charge, my lord, only.
This is misconduct ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. It's not disproportionate
No, not
asset ಅಲ್ಲ.
disproportionate, only misconduct.
Heard the learned counsel Shiva Prasad Shantangaudar appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is alleged of misconduct and not disproportionate assets as obtaining under 13-1.
13-1A.
13-1K na idu? A. 13-1A. The information is sought from the hands of the BBMP as to who were working on a particular day by the chief engineer. Page 82-83. It is replied to by the following communication from the hands of the BBMP. The name of the petitioner nowhere figures. Therefore, an allegation of a person who was not even working on the said date cannot be made qua criminal misconduct as obtaining under 13-1A. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Yes. Served a copy on Lokayukta.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮುಂಚೆ
Just
ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
served, I've served out. Great.
Registry to print the name of BB Patil is appearing for the respondent. Local. Next.
46.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಅರುಣ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್?
ವಾಸು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸಾರಿ my lord.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು.
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, there is one aspect to be brought to your lordship's notice, my lord. Yesterday there is a my lord judgment reported on where it was delivered on my lord 2nd of this month. The certain guidelines are my lord given by the honorable apex court.
Apex court has affirmed Telangana High Court judgment 2026 INSC 96.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
And my lord also my lord relying on my lord Arnesh
Justice
Kumar.
MM Sundaresh's order.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Satyendra Kumar until there is a direction.
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು ಸತ್ಯೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ಲೇ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. And my lord
ಏನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ?
certain my lord other guidelines are also
ಏನ್
there.
ಅದರ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್? No, it's 115 actually. 96 ಬೇರೆ. 96 is promise of marriage. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸದು. This is 2026 INSC 115 Satyendra Kumar Antil. Satyendra. Telangana High Court's guidelines are affirmed.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Is it
You
political?
can't arrest
Yes, my lord.
in offences which are less than 7 years. 35(3) notice ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
High time, my lord, your lordship
ಮಾಡಕ್
may also my
ಬರೋಲ್ಲ.
lord reiterate the same guidelines and my lord,
Yes, sir.
so that it will be covering the field, my lord.
Yes.
In both in
No,
respect of
Supreme Court's
registration
order,
of FIR as well as my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ಸರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
I can understand, my lord. But I wanted to point it out, my lord, that's for convenience.
No problem.
I was hoping yesterday only senior counsel will mention it yesterday.
No, yesterday.
ಅದು ಇವತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
But ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ 2 ದಿವಸದಿಂದನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2nd February ಮಾಡ್ರೆ.
Yesterday I came across that, my lord, but ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. I wanted to make it a compilation and my lord place it with your lordship. So that my lord, all these social media too, my lord, can be.
Particularly on social media posts,
Yes,
no arrest can be made.
Yes, my lord, absolutely.
Unless you issue 35(3) notice here. That is the.
And they have to take opinion from the prosecutor,
Correct.
learned man, whether it forms basis or prima
All
facie case.
guidelines will be.
Please.
Special counsel ಏನು ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ.
Special counsel ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
What happens is, my lord,
Entry ಮಾಡಿ
normally
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
they register case, my lord, on Saturday or Friday, my lord. Then
Will you
Saturday,
speak only on those days?
Saturday, Sunday, there will be delay, my lord. They choose that Friday and will register FIR, and they will try to arrest on Saturday, so that 2 days they can.
ಏನು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
They heard the learned senior counsel Arun Shyam appearing for the petition. There is an interim order of protection granted in the case at hand. The issue is with regard to a speech made by the petitioner and being circulated on social media. The Apex Court in its latest judgment reported in 2026 INSC 115 has affirmed the guidelines laid down by Telangana High Court, wherein the High Court has clearly held that arrests cannot be made in social media posts unless a 35(3) notice is issued and the accused is heard in the matter. The said procedure is admittedly not followed in the case at hand. In the light of the judgment of the Apex Court in the case of Satyendra Kumar Antil, quoted supra, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceeding, all further investigation by the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Or Burley, lay down Marburn. Wednesday, fresh matters.
Grateful.
Yes, sir.
47.
Split up, my lord.
Split up.
Please, my lord. This petitioner is accused number 4. Accused number 1 and 2
close
was
it.
acquitted.
392 na?
Please, my lord. 326.
326.
Please, my lord.
Acquit ಆಗಿರೋದು?
Accused number 1 and 2 acquitted.
Yes, Jagdish sir. The petitioner is before this court calling in question the continuance of proceeding in CC 28 of 2010 registered for so and so. The petitioner along with others gets embroiled in crime number 201 of 2007 for the aforesaid offences. The respondent police filed a charge sheet after investigation. The filing of the charge, the petitioner at the relevant point in time was not available for trial. The accused 1 and 2 who were available for trial comes to be acquitted by an order of the concerned court dated 16/8/2012 in CC 45 of 2008. The petitioner is now wanting to be tried for an eventual acquittal. Therefore, to save the precious judicial time, I deem it appropriate to exercise my jurisdiction under section 482 528 of the CRP BNSS and obliterate the crime against the petitioner. With the view of mine and the Barkole, SJK ಕೇಳಿ NVJ ಕೇಳಿ. Yes, view of mine and the Barkole sir. Split to view of mine ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
Grateful.
Allowed cost. Next. 40?
Lamborghini. Green Lamborghini.
Community service.
Please. I'm only placing on record, my lord, the memo.
You know,
It's the registration of the FIR by itself, my lords, is false for two counts, my lords. The FIR is come to be registered for the offences, my lords, punishable under section 281 of the BNSS. And my lords, for section 120 and 177 of the Motor Vehicles Act. It's under section 177, my lords.
here ಮಾಡುವ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
Please, my lords. General provision. The 122 is, my lords, for a left-hand driven vehicle. This is a right-hand driven vehicle.
By mistake ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Therefore, my lords, my prayer is, my lords, that if a
ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಲಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ವು.
if my lords, the preliminary inquiry was-
ರೈಟ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, we'll take it.
Please.
Take it on 26th. This on 26th in the fresh matters list.
Oh, like.
Yes.
49.
Lordship, this is the 20-year-old civil dispute partition issue.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ madam.
Interim orders.
Your lordship has granted stay in the last occasion on the ground that the medical records was dated subsequent, placed along with the FIR dated earlier. That's factually incorrect. complaint, my lord, is dated 28/1. And medical report, they've annexed document number 9, page 153 is 29/1. The 29/1 medical report was placed before the court on 31st to add further sections.
Oh, not this, is it?
No. In fact, your lordship also see that on the left-hand side signature of the judge.
Tuesday, Kiran, look into that.
The one issue, my lord, that it seems to be there is, it's of course it's a family dispute. There is CCTV image which talks about assault. Unnecessary further legal complication which both families are creating. I'm not saying that one.
Settle ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
You have no objection, Your Lordship.
The both should be restrained themselves, and because otherwise it's a law and order issue, my lord. Tomorrow if something happens.
We'll take this on Tuesday.
FIR itself need not have been registered, Your Lordship. This was, in fact,
Assault register ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ?
Your Lordship, no, there was no assault, and even
CCTV ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
No, I have
Lordship,
CCTV. In fact, I have CCTV, my lord. I can place it.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
But Your Lordship, if under SPP is
And
mentioning.
the language used by the petitioner, being a lawyer, we all say, my lord, lawyer. The language used by the petitioner may not be correct, appropriate.
He does not practice, he's not a practicing.
Then don't claim it as a
No,
lawyer.
NPA, non-practicing advocate.
Oh.
Yes.
So I'm wondering it went to NCLT now.
Yes.
The language on ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾವು ನೋಡು.
ಕೊಡಿ.
It's recorded in CCTV, so the place of incident. And I have the images also which chair in it chair ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. Only request would be that restrain
practice
themselves.
ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ.
He's into politics, no wonder.
ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಡ.
ಬೇಡ. Yes.
Your Lordship, in fact, they have been asked to settle even in the civil dispute that's pending. They
We'll
should
see.
ideally do that.
Tuesday we'll take it.
Please.
Let them hold restraints, should not create.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ don't ask your non-practicing advocate to remain silent.
Your Lordship, it is in his property that they have come.
No, we have not come. We are in between. We are stuck in between two people.
We'll see. Tuesday, fresh matters.
Please.
Interim order will continue. Interim protection.
Interim protection. Obliged.
Yes.
Our favorite petitioners,
Atrocities.
Manoj,
They ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
yes, Manoj. Manoj, the sections under BNS was not stayed, Manoj. It may be taken up next time.
We'll take it up. Yes.
Please.
The 504, 506.
No, Manoj, sections are under section 115, 190, 324, 352, Manoj. They say that we have assaulted, we have stolen some pillars from the property and.
We'll see.
Please, Manoj.
We'll take it on 19th fresh matters.
Obliged, Manoj.
Yes. Interim order subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing. Yes. Next. First is muskwana. Settlement amal. 10
Order
minutes will close.
51.
Yes.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Vacating
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 5 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
List the matter on Tuesday for admission.
Please, Lord.
Matter would be heard on its merit.
Please.
Yes.
Interim order.
Interim order will continue to the next date. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Please.
Tuesday ವರೆಗೆ. Yes, next.
Please.
Office objections ಏನಿದೆ? 2 weeks to comply with the office objections. Yes, next.
52, my lords.
ಏನು? Office objections.
No, my lords.
Council
My lords,
submission order sheet.
matter has to be heard, my lords. Give just a moment, my lords. There are no
Not
office
today.
objections.
Yes, tell me.
My lords, this is a case of check bounce, my lords. Initially, what complainant has done, he settled.
ಎರಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಬೌನ್ಸ್.
Yes, my lords. Both are check bounce.
ಈಗ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
Yes, my lords. They have breached the settlement. They have filed appeal. We filed 482 quashing the appeal. They filed 482 quashing the NBW. And his NBW has been stayed. And they are the 482 which we filed for quashing of appeal, that has also been stayed. My
List the matter on next Thursday in fresh matters list. Yes. Interim order will continue to the next day. Madam, it could.
Respondent, second respondent in other case, your lordship, sees the complaint. Matrimonial case is going on.
Yeah, Metro. matrimonial case.
Matrimonial. Is going on between husband and wife. Through, he is a sister.
Settlement ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ
List on 20th. Hello, 26th, sorry.
Please.
Interim order continues. Next.
54. Stay there. Furnishing of field.
A week's time is direct, 2 weeks' time is granted to do the needful, failing which the interim order would stand automatically vacated. Next.
55.
Subject to the aforesaid, interim order continues.
Splitter action.
Splitter.
For petitioner.
ಎರಡು splitter.
ಅಲ್ಲ, previous matter 399 and 402. Which is.
ಯಾವುದು?
54 man.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. 54 ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, wait. The petitioner is before this court challenging the continuance of proceeding in CC 12539 of 2008. 18, sorry. Billa Jagdish sir.
Serial number 55. Serial number 55, madam.
54.
54 we will not fill.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಯಾರ್ದು? ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
54 ಅಲ್ಲ.
399 402 ಹೌದು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Page number 48.
ಅಕ್ವಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Acquittal same, you're right. The petitioner is accused so and so. Is before the court calling in question, accused number 7. Before the court calling in question the continuance of CC 12539 of 2018. The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime along with other accused for offences punishable under section 399 and 402 of the IPC. The petitioner at the relevant point in time was not available for trial. The other accused are tried, and the concerned court by its order dated 17 December 2024 acquits the other accused on the score that the prosecution has miserably failed to prove the guilt beyond all reasonable doubt. Since the offence is of commission of dacoity or its execution under 399 402, the reason so rendered by the concerned court would become applicable to the petitioner as well. To save judicial time, view of mine, you know. Yes.
55.
Petitioner in this case.
Press, week's time to.
Press time.
55, my lord. 15689 of 25. Charge was framed on 2/9/2024.
Petition is preferred later.
2025. Last time they took a time saying that.
Counter complaint.
Settlement ಆಗದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ I am going to dismiss it. This court on 14/6/2026 thought it fit to entertain the petition notwithstanding the fact of framing of charges only on the submission that the parties to the list are members of the same family and would strike out a settlement. Therefore, list this matter on 13th. In the event no settlement is arrived at, the petition would be dismissed, as after framing of charges, this court would not entertain the petition under 482 of the CRPC. Yes, next.
This complaint, counter complaint.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes. List on 13th. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing, subject to the aforesaid. Yes.
56.
Yesterday's matter, Manoj, sir, 130.
Yesterday.
ಏನು?
311 application.
311 application.
Then dispose ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, Manoj. This is the connected
matter.
Same order. Then ಯಾರು ಗಾಡಿದ ಮೇಡಮ್?
57.
Yes, ma'am.
Maintainability.
Regarding one more question filed by the previous council.
ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು
That
ಅದು
too
ವಿಡ್ರಾ
without-
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Without any knowledge, settle ಆಗಿದೆ sir matter.
ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆ. Both complainant and accused both are present before the court.
ಏನ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್?
69 and 74 BNS, my lord.
69
9 and 74 BNS.
354A and 69.
Promise to me.
You come on merits better. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್?
1 year, my lord.
ಒನ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಏನು ಇಬ್ರು ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು
first petition was not in the knowledge of the petitioner.
No problem. We will dismiss that. Yes.
Okay, yes, my lord.
Very advocates. The same petitioner has filed two petitions. Therefore, the first petition must meet its end, dismissed in the light of the subsequent petition being filed. The offence alleged is the one punishable under section 69 of the BNS.
And along with 74.
And 74 is 354.
Yes.
ಇದು ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, not at charge, not at file.
69 ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಸರ್. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಈಗ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Settlement in the sense out of court of their, as per the advice of the well wishers and family members, complainant is not interested to prosecute the case.
Correct, that's all right.
Complainant is present before the court. That too she has given in a writing.
ಯಾವುದು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದೇನು
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
We'll see, you come on merits, not this. Who appears for the complainant?
Myself, my lord. I'm sorry. So complainant is
No,
present.
complainant is here.
Yeah, de facto complainant.
Oh, you are the one who wanted to engage a counsel.
No, sir, my parents are not willing to continue this case and.
Correct, but this offense we cannot close it. We'll answer it on merit itself. On list on Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
You know,
Not on settlement, on merit itself I'll pass an order.
whether the complainant has to be present before the court, my lord,
Not
on that day,
necessary.
on that day.
Not
Somebody has to
necessary.
represent her.
No, somebody has to represent you. Get some advocate and I'll pass orders on merits. Let it not be on settlement.
I think she may wants to engage a government advocate, so SCCP.
She can engage government advocate.
No. You know, filing the application.
It could anyway. On Tuesday you come, we'll close it. Yes.
Yes.
57 disposed, yes. 57, ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಒಂದು
57, ನಂದು 57.
ಅದಿರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. 57.1 dismiss ಮಾಡಿ.
Much.
Yes.
That the petitioner is not part in the compromise, my lord. And that compromise, the settlement agreement I filed the.
Along with council submission ಇದೆ. Office objections overruled, Monday fresh matters.
My lord, in this movable warrant.
Monday
was issued.
fresh matters. Yes. Same order. Same order. ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕದ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Already we are.
What did we do in the morning?
Today in Matrimonial.
What memo?
To post the matters, all your corrected matters, madam.
How many matters are there?
3, my lord.
Only 3?
5, my lord.
5.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ?
I think it's 13.
Huh?
13.
When do you want?
Monday, my lord.
Monday ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
13.
We'll post it on 13th.
13.
Settlement talks are on.
No, my lord. No.
List the matter on 13th along with all these
Interim order
connected
may be
matters.
extended, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, interim order may be extended.
That will continues. Yes. Interim order continues. Next.
51.
Furnishing copy petitions. A week's time is
A
there.
week's time may be granted.
Huh?
Week's time may be granted.
Week's time granted. Yes, next. Next also same.
Same, man.
Yes.
63.
Oblige.
63 ಏನಿದು?
Maintainability is there, Lordship.
Why?
Challenging section
Challenging
22
what?
order. Challenging session court order, your Lordship. Rejection of
Rejection of?
session court order, your Lordship.
Rejection
Passed
of
in,
what?
Section 22, your Lordship. Of NI Act.
Division bench ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
That may pass to your Lordship.
No. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್.
Yes, ma'am.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿನಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದೊಂದು UAP ಅದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Maintainability overruled. Maintainability overruled. To be overruled.
ಓವರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Maintainability sustained, post the matter before the division bench. Yes.
Is much, serial number 59 interim order to be extended, your lordship.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
59 in serial number. Previous matter.
59 yes. Interim order ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Much please.
ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್, ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. 63 disposal statistics. Yes.
64.
NDPS Act my lord. ಮಹಾಕಾಲ್ ವಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಮಹಾಕಾಲ್ ವಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ.
ಮಹಾಕಾಲ್ ವಟ್ಟಿ. List the matter on 13th. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date. Yes. Let's get into it.
65.
Hearing for the complaint, my lord, there are two matters in the writ petition. Sorry, my lord, I'm sorry.
Right.
My apologies. In the writ petition, my lord, I am the petitioner. In the criminal petition, my lord, there's a complaint which is leveled against me, my lord, wherein I am accused, sole accused.
Yes.
LOC, my lord, your lordships have heard in the previous occasion. Lord, I am a 59-year-old lady. My entire family is, my lord, in Ireland. And the allegation that is leveled against me, my lord, is that I have drawn some 2 lakh and 3 lakh in some cafe coffee day and from a realtor agent. And my lord, I am been.
ಈಗ LOC ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, LOC ನನ್ನ ಕೈಗೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. I am not sure whether there is an LOC or not.
LOC ಇಲ್ವಾ?
LOC ಇದೆ.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Copy is not.
Copy of the LOC my lord.
ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Implement ಮಾಡಿ.
I only limited grievance, my lord, is I may be permitted to trial, my lord. I'll assist your lordship, my lord. I'll assist the.
You are accused, right?
My lord, accused for drawing 2 lakh and 3 lakh as cash. Allah, flight.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ what is there, we don't know.
That was, my lord, the page number 40 says, my lord, in the complaint.
No, we'll see what is.
That apart, my lord, she is a OCI card holder. He says, my lord, she is a British citizen. But the fact is that she's got an Indian passport also.
How do you have both? OCI and Indian passport?
She ought to have. Lord, I'll seek instruction with regard to that. I'm put to surprise. To be very honest, my lord, I'm put to surprise.
I just told him, my lord.
Because my learned senior, my lord, just
that itself is an offense.
I'm put to surprise, my lord. I'll fairly submit before your lordships.
ಬುಧವಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
ಅಲ್ಲ. Any shorter date?
ಬುಧವಾರ shortest date.
Which is not inconvenient to your lordships.
No problem. Fresh matters on Wednesday.
Tuesday, my lords. Your lordships.
Tuesday ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
Charge sheet seems to have filed.
Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. No.
ನೋಡಿ instructions ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ then challenge that.
If that's the case, my lord, I'll challenge charge sheet also, please.
On Wednesday. Yes.
Great.
On IS 66.
This is the modification of.
Jagdish sir, ಏನೇನೋ modification ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
Lord, one is the court, my lords.
ಅವ್ರು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್.
My lord, one is the name of the court, my lords. The second one, my lords, we had argued in respect of section 19 of COCA, which is parametria to section 15 and 17 of TADA and.
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಕಾದ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
But the reason why I'm seeking this is, my lords, there is no point of law with respect to this, my lords.
Not necessary. We will keep it open to be decided in an appropriate case. ಅದು modification ಬೇಡ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
That's it.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Yes.
Court name ಮಾತ್ರ. The petitioner has prepared an application seeking modification of the order insofar as the mentioning of the case of mention of the name of the court
and the case number.
And the case number. They say the modification shall be effected too. The other submission is that the submissions were made with regard to COCA. This court has thought it fit not to enter into the issue of COCA and has quashed the proceedings on other grounds. That would not mean that COCA would be answered now by way of modification. The issue is always the petitioner is at liberty to urge that contention in the event of need later in any other proceeding.
Grateful.
The petitioner will endeavor to uphold his name.
Next contest.
Possibility.
Yes.
Grateful.
67.
67 vacating order.
My lords, there is another matter which has to be connected.
Now this is vacating order, madam. Tell me.
My lords, kindly pass over.
This is the case where
You give pass over.
agency is that car belonging to the wife is with the husband, same matter.
Oh, this
Car Maruti.
a car husband and wife cannot travel together. Why do you want?
Therefore, probably.
Do you want the car or the husband?
Your lordship asked.
You're saying only the car. I don't want the husband.
My lord, want the husband. Husband should drive the car with the wife, my lord.
Adike, both of you should travel in this.
That's he is not. What he has done is, my lord, he has kept the car with him and allowed the financiers to trouble her every day. This is a very serious problem she is facing. A very poor woman. She knows assistance.
Then
My lords, kindly pass.
He doesn't pay the
financiers will
EMI.
trouble, madam.
EMIs he doesn't pay, and RC or she is RC owner and sends the those recovery agents to her house.
I
My lords,
can't-
kindly pass over.
Only to that extent, my lord.
I will heard the learned counsel with the petitioner seeks a pass over. The learned senior counsel submits that the car is in the possession of the petitioner and the EMI is now, the financiers are hounding the complainant. Therefore, the yaradu financiers.
Financial Kotak Mahindra.
Therefore, the investigating, the charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Illa.
Therefore, the investigating officer shall instruct the bank not to harass the complainant till the next date of hearing.
And the car to be returned to car.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ.
No, my lord, since EMI is not paid, my lord.
ಅದಾಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ wait. Yes.
Because
ಕಾರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
we have filed a petition, the car be handed over to us, he cannot retain. He says there is a stay, therefore I will retain the car also.
We'll hear that and do it. Yes, interim order continues till the next date of hearing.
Please.
There is another petition, my lords, which has to be connected.
ಕೊಡಿ, number.
305.
Take this petition along with so-and-so. Next.
68.
Please.
65, your lordship, 65 stay station.
Interim order extend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, don't worry.
ಅದು 12th ಗೆ date ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. Interim order extend ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lord's case of alliance gone wrong. Lord's the girl felt, my lords, that the boy had some behavioral traits and she sought for time to confirm that the marriage could be taken forward. Page number 18, lords, if your lordship were to see, it was specifically stated that this is the problem I asked for 2 months. On 4/6, the father and the brother of the boy comes, they shout in an unparliamentary language, make certain accusations. I go to the nearest police station, Girinagar police station. I say, this is what they are threatening me. Kindly give me protection. Then the inspector is a kind person. He takes the phone number.
Police kind
person?
person?
The reason why I'm saying this is, he calls the this father, that's the father of the boy, and says, this is the complaint which has come against you. You please come to police station. So the father is from a very, very affluent background. They are all from very.
Complaint comes against you.
Complaint comes against me saying that I've committed a theft. They had already come near my house and then all these things had already been said. It's a case purely of an alliance gone wrong. We have stated at page number 18 itself, even before that date, saying that there is a saris and salwars were given, saying that you will have to get it stitched because we are in the anvil of getting into a relationship. You get this.
ಅದು theft ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
Lords, not that. What they say is, Lords, if your lords were to kindly see page number 18, this is what happened. 2nd June, when we went to their house, they put the jewelry on my house saying that this is what we are going to gift you in your marriage. Taken the photographs. Then the,
ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
Lords, that is in their house. So they take it back. No, after now that
she stayed in the house for a day, my lord.
Why?
She stayed before engagement.
Why?
I know they went for shopping.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾರು ಹೇಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. They went for shopping.
Malicious prosecution ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
It is there are proofs, my lord. The WhatsApp.
What there are?
WhatsApp messages which was exchanged between.
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತನಾ?
It was the complainant had sent a message to the family of the
ಏನಂತ?
accused that nan gold ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. There was no reply. Multiple messages were.
ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
There was no.
I am not taken ಅಂತ ಏನಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
She has not replied, I have not,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
or I have taken,
No.
there is no
You
reply.
should come up with better things, sir. If you have an axe to grind, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I will not permit.
I'm not, I need to take instructions, my lords, kindly have it.
I will quash malicious prosecution ಗೆ order ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I'll take
ಎಲ್ಲ
instructions.
criminal justice system ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ.
I'll take sufficient
ಇವರು
instructions.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು. Because the problem is, you know the case alla, you know the policeman there, crime is registered. You know the station house officer, crime is registered. You are, police is responsible for clogging the criminal justice system. Without enquiry, without anything, left, right, center, registering crimes after crimes. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನ್ crime register ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Yes, heard the learned senior counsel, D.R. Ravi Shankar appearing for the petitioner, list on 12th in the fresh matters list.
Lordships.
Dispose it. Be ready for malicious prosecution. Yes.
Great. Interim order, my lords.
Yeah, that will continue.
Please, great.
69 is the Supreme Court remanded matter.
Supreme Court remanded.
Your lordships had directed transfer of investigation to CBI.
ನನಗೆ ಬಂತಾಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ.
Roster bench. I'll leave it to my lord.
And largely not before ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕಿನ್ because I had already taken a
think
particular
what your lordships had said post before the roster bench then. Now it came up before the roster bench and now coincidentally your lordship is a roster bench. But I leave it to my lords. I understand the.
It's a very detailed order.
It is a detailed order. All I want to point out is this, Malas. Of course, before the Honorable Supreme Court, and I'm not going into any of the frills, Malas. What the Supreme Court, Malas, found two. One was, of course, the fact that there was a candid submission made by the learned senior counsel, and then after that, Malas, there is an observation that even though the words used are, even though the impugned order is divided into a neat structure, is bereft of cogent, sufficient, and necessary reasons, and because it does not take into account some chart that was given by the CID. That was presented before the Honorable Supreme Court. So there is a.
The main reason was that both petitioner and respondent were same.
Main reason, of course, that we're in.
Here.
That was the main reason why the Supreme Court. Of course, I agree with Mr. Jagdish. That was the main reason why the Supreme Court felt it should come back. Frankly, my lords,
that was the problem.
Without that, as the Supreme Court says, candid submission, your lordship's order may have passed muster, but in light of that, the Supreme Court felt it's necessary to.
Yes. We'll see. We'll hear it another day.
I'll leave it.
List on 20th.
Great.
But it's better somebody else. We'll see.
I'll leave it to my lords. I completely.
70.
DV proceedings against the mother-in-law and father-in-law is instituted when the entire allegations in the complaint pertains to the husband. Para 20 at page 22.
Stay agilva idu.
Stay agide. Lords, the magistrate says that you cannot proceed against the father-in-law and mother-in-law and says that you will have to delete them from the array of parties by referring to Shamlal Devada's case. Page number 26. The sessions judge upsets this order.
Stay ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
Stay is granted, my lords.
It should go straight away.
For respondent 2, my lord.
Mother-in-law and father-in-law should go. We'll allow this then.
What's that? This can be allowed, my lords.
Session court order should go.
Please.
ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸನ್ಗೆ.
Who is the complainant?
Complainant is R1.
R1.
Not represented? ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. R1 ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, heard the learned senior counsel D.R. Ravi Shankar appearing for the petitioner and Bharat K. appearing for the second respondent. Awaiting the appearance of the first respondent, list the matter on 11th for admission. In the event the first respondent would not be present, appropriate orders would be passed on hearing the counsel who are present. Yes, next.
71.
For the petitioner, my lords. Senior has expressed his inability to appear in this matter.
Why?
He's given his no objection, my lords. Because in fact the respondent had reached out to him in another matter. She was assisting him in another matter, so he was expressing his.
In his capacity as a special public prosecutor, my lords, he was.
So he's
We had expressed, actually, I told
that would not.
No, even in fact, we tried to express the same, but he said.
Would be taken up on Monday or Tuesday, my lords. That
1 week we are requesting for a week's time. Because
could
we
be taken
wish
up
to
on-
engage our senior counsel in this matter.
No,
The petitioner wishes
Would
to
be taken
engage.
up on Tuesday or Wednesday before the.
A week's time, my lords.
The learned counsel appearing for the, print your name, no problem.
Vardhan.
Complete name?
Vardhan Reddy.
Vardhan, sorry. Learned counsel Vardhan Reddy appearing for the petitioner submits that the counsel B. Belliyappa has given a no objection and is wanting to engage another counsel. Therefore, list this matter on Thursday.
Please.
25th alva. Thursday for admission. Arrangements be made. Arrangements and arguments be made on this date. Yes.
Wait.
72.
Petitioner. Matter arising out of 138, my lord, there is a settlement joint memo came to be filed by Annexure B before the Adalat. Thereafter, my lord, with some understanding that memo came to be filed. And accordingly, the award came to be passed. Now, my lord, because that arrangement what has been made in between the parties has not been fulfilled. Therefore, my lord, I could not able to pay the amount which I have been denied even earlier also.
Again, pay ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, restore ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ memo withdraw ಮಾಡಿ, we will restore it.
Lord, with a similar relief, Lord, he has filed the writ petition before this honorable court. Lord.
Which one?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
That was withdrawn.
I came to be withdrawn because the court said you got an alternative remedy in the execution petition itself.
Very same, Lord, compromise was sought to be challenged before this honorable court. Lord, he was asked to deposit the amount of rupees for 2 lakhs. He has deposited this amount and subsequently.
ಇವರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಾನೆ?
Our accused.
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿಬೇಕಾರೆ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಡೀಲಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ that came to be stayed. In fact, ಅದೊಂದು execution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, subject to deposit of 2 lakhs. I deposited. Stay ಆಯ್ತು. Stay ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ you have an alternative remedy there only. You go and file an inquiry ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ
That application came to be dismissed. I filed another writ petition.
Pursue the execution and set up your defense in the execution.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
execution also
appeal ಆಗ್ದೆ against this to set aside the award because I am what has been negotiated between the parties has not been fulfilled. Therefore, I am not liable to pay anta. Appeal came to be dismissed. Therefore, I filed a writ petition now at present, not on the same cause of action.
Execution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, execution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they cannot go beyond the decree. I mean the award. Therefore, my lord, I am before this court.
ಸೋತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 482 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಾವೇ
ಈಗ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು?
15 lakhs, out of which in fact my lord he has deposited 2 lakhs.
Subject.
Out of which he has deposited 2 lakhs that was ordered to be released in favor of the respondent. In the execution proceedings, he filed an application under section 47.
ಬಿಡಿ, ಈಗ
now ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He has undertaken before the court, my lord, that he would ಅಮೀನ್ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ I would pay the remaining amount. That is the.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ we wanted to go for a trial.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಬೇಡ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I will establish that whether there is a bona fide claim.
Why did you sign?
During Corona period, my lord, with the before in the virtual this thing I had made to I was made to sit on the virtual.
Virtually ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes.
I am made to forced to sit for.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ will dismiss it otherwise.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ 15 ಲಕ್ಷ is the check and the 13 lakhs has to be paid.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿದ್ದು?
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದ್ದದು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಾವೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಾವೇ ಬರ್ತಿದಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
I won't.
That
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ I won't.
memo can't be
ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ I won't. ಈಗ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yeah, I am unable to pay, even that amount, entire amount is not liable to pay. That is the reason why I wanted to go for a trial.
Why did you agree, sir? Yes.
There are some more thing which is other than the transactions took place, which I wanted to establish.
Let's the matter on 26th, yes.
Till then, my lord, let there be a protection, because they deposited 2 lakhs as per the court order at the earlier point of time.
No, sir.
Till such time, my lord, they may issue a delivery warrant, attachment warrant.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಪೀಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ನಾಟ್
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ at earlier point of time only. ಈ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು against the appeal order also, not only on the earlier petition.
I'm not entertaining. List on 26th, yes.
Allah, any short date, my lord, I will try to convince, and I will ask the council to, in case if there is any possibility.
Move ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳೇದು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸೇರಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ
ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Yes. Next.
73.
For release of an undisputed amount owed to the petitioner.
Undisputed amount,
No, that is with regard, no, it is disputed amount for this. It is not an amount, my lord. It is some percentage which has been adjudicated by the adjudicator. It is 5%. That has to be calculated. If they have want to execute, my lord, they have to file execution petition, my lord. They can execute that.
Admitted ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ sir?
My lord, admitted, they have to calculate.
Admitted ಇದ್ರೆ I will not.
No, it is not an admitted amount.
Where is it admitted? Yes, ಹೇಳಿ.
It's a multi-tier dispute resolution clause in the agreement.
482 ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Special order.
Special order.
Multi-tier dispute resolution clause. Contract arising out of a tender completed. Completion.
ಇವರು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
Adjudicator was appointed.
ಕಾವೇರಿ ನೀರಾವರಿ ನಿಗಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೂಢಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
Please, my lord, may I show my lord the clause?
Make everybody roam from pillar to post.
No, it is not so, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord.
My lord, may see page 414.
ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶುರು ನಿಮ್ದು.
ಅದು ಅವರು ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ.
Page 414 is the dispute resolution clause.
414. Yes, sir.
24, my lords, procedure for disputes. If the contractor believes that a decision taken by the project manager was either outside the authority given to the project manager by the contract, or that the decision was wrongly taken, decision shall be referred to the adjudicator within 14 days of the notification of project decision. The adjudicator shall give a decision in writing within 28 days. The adjudicator shall be paid by the hour so and so so and so. Either party may refer a decision of the adjudicator to an arbitrator within 28 days of the adjudicator. Adjudicator has given me has passed a recommendation in my favor. They have not challenged. I have sent repeated reminders.
Where is that recommendation?
Please, my lords, it is at Annexure D. Sorry, Annexure F, my lords.
Page
499, my lords. This was on 21st September 2024.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು?
No, the adjudicator has not quantified the amount. They have said you have to pay interest at 5% on all these XYZ amounts under separate heads.
Separate heads.
Separate heads, 5% interest as per the contract.
Heads all amount determine ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Heads all amount determine ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. For example, if I may show your honor the.
The admitted amount ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು?
Because the amounts are not disputed. The amounts that they have paid is all on the basis of mobilization advance, security deposit given, bank guarantee given, 5% interest on that. I have quantified my claims and sent them demands, my lords. We'll see from Annexure J.
Yes, sir. It is not the amount, my lord, which is determined. It is the
Adjudicator
percentage.
ಯಾರು? Adjudicator ಯಾರು?
They appointed, my lords.
Fee.
They appointed, fees were shared equally. After which, my lords, Annexure J, if my lords would see, I have sent Annexure G onwards, 3 notices I have sent with the quantification. No response.
My lord, I will take instruction, my lord, with regard to this, telling that there is no dispute that we have not gone further challenging the.
Who appointed
adjudicator is appointed by us only, my lord. As per the contract, we have to appoint.
What has he adjudicated?
He has told that 5% has to be paid. If there is, my lord, we will calculate that. We will calculate.
Execution ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
My lord, we will calculate.
ನೀವು execution ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
Will, my lord.
ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
we will calculate that, my lord, what they have given, it is they, that amount is disputed.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು adjudicator ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lord, he has not determined the amount, my lord. 5% ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 5% we are not disputing.
No problem.
5% we are not disputing, my lord, but.
5% of not air, of certain amount. ಗಾಳಿದಲ್ಲ 5% ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
Please, my lord.
Amount ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ adjudicator.
Please, my lord, amount ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. However, my lord, I will produce
the matter on 13th.
My lord, 13th, week after next.
Special order ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Please, my lord.
20th.
My lord, every hearing I have.
List on 20th.
Please.
74.
74, my lord. On our state of hearing, I requested to list this matter on Monday, my lord, for fresh matter regarding GST matter, my lord.
Ida.
Yes, my lord. We have challenged the parallel investigation, my lord.
It's not parallel investigation, lordship.
My lord.
It is a matter
It
where.
may be listed on Monday.
1 minute.
They have questioned under 62B, saying that the state was investigating, so how did we investigate at the central DGGI?
That's
And we had-
permissible.
It's permissible. They have transferred all the investigation to us. We have arrested the person. There was an assault on our officers. He was there in the custody for 4 months. On my back, without me being there, they take a bail. That is all has happened. But now in this petition, lordship, they questioned the very proceedings before the honorable magistrate, saying that 62B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ investigation already start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. But they are aware that all the full investigation has been transferred to me already.
There is a recent judgment, my lord, very clearly.
Armed security, my lords are aware of the same judgment. It's covered.
It may be listed on Monday, my lord.
Tuesday.
Fresh matter. My lord,
And I am on
Monday.
caveat, lordship. I will be filing my objections.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Thursday fresh matters. Yes.
There is
Our
urgency.
objection ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ.
It's coming from last 1 month, my lord.
So what?
No, I was ready
No
today.
problem. Yes. List on Thursday fresh matters.
Obliged. Grateful.
Reporting settlements. 75.
Matrimonial dispute, divorce ಆಗಿ settle ಆಗಿದೆ. The divorce,
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ terms and conditions.
Yes, my lords, my lords, there's one difficulty, my lords. We were not able to contact the wives, the lawyers, my lord. Madam Purnima, Madam Nesragi was appearing.
ಯಾರು?
I'm here. They are not showed the copy.
Not that, sir.
Madam settle ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
I have no instructions, madam.
Lords, one date could be, I'll serve copy, my lords. I'll serve a
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ.
List on Tuesday.
Yes, madam.
At 4 PM.
Yes, madam. There is interim order in one of.
The interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
76.
Serial number 76, my lords. This is to report settlement.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
In this, my lords, the respondent number 2, my lords.
settlement ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. They have, but she is not coming forward to. my lords.
Offense ಏನು?
354, my lords. That's the major offense.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
Dispute between landlord and tenant, my lords.
Correct, ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
No, she has agreed in her joint memo, my lords, that she is going to cooperate for quashment.
Correct.
But please,
Because 354.
she's served and she's unrepresented. That's the problem.
ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Please, my lords.
But settlement ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to get her.
But the problem is, my lords, the daughter who is an accused in this case, she wishes to pursue her education abroad. Police verification, my lords, this case is coming in the way.
70 Thursday fresh matter.
Please.
We'll close it on that day.
Obliged.
But settlement ಬೇಡ.
77.
But 77 ಒಳಗೆ in another malad the connected matter stay has been granted.
ಇದು settlement
ಅದನ್ನ please ma
ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
malad
Tag along.
ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ last occasion government advocate submitted that charge sheet has been filed ಅಂತ. 1 week time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ but it has not been listed.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು settlement ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. I think malad in the order sheet it has been shown as settlement ಅಂತ. There is no settlement.
ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಶೋನ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ.
Post the matter on 19th. Yes.
ಮಲಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಲಟ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಸ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅದರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ.
307.
ಗ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ನನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಮಲಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
list the matter on 19th fresh matter.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಲಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಮಲಟ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 36 ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ನಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ನನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 193 ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 198.
can be clubbed together.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಲಡ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. Tag the petition along with so and so. Case and counter case, yes.
Please.
78.
Petitioners had availed loan from the bank. Now, bank gave an OTS, my lord, and the loan has been completely discharged. My lord,
ಮತ್ತು crime ಯಾಕೆ?
lord,
Settlement.
settlement, ಹೌದು.
Oh, settlement, ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ, yes.
I'm filing a joint memo.
All
Lord,
right, so and so.
in the, if I may be permitted to submit, my lord, in 15917, my lord, the petitioner is present before the court. In the connected matter, my lord, the petitioners are present online because they are situated in Singapore.
All right.
Lord, the other difficulty is, my lord, in 15917, the counsel for second respondent is not present. However, my lord, the CEO of the bank is present before the court.
Don't worry, ಅವರೇ sign ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
Yes. Amount is settled.
Amount is, OTS offer was given, the entire amount was discharged. I'll sign the
All right,
motion.
next.
Please.
Yes.
Right.
79. 79. 80.
The matter is settled, my lords.
Correct.
They have agreed. They have de facto complaint have transferred amount of rupees 8,75,000. He is agreed to pay the entire amount, my lords.
Settlement draw ಮಾಡಿದಿರ terms ತಾನೆ?
ಮಾಡಿಸಿ
ಕೊಡಿ.
Build a memo to amend the cost item, my lords. ಅದು respond number 2 due to oversight they have party ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, so I filed a memo.
Presentation ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
Also handing over the checks.
The council ಎಷ್ಟದು?
5 lakhs check. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು check and DD.
ಅಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಚೆಕ್ಗೆ?
My lord, what has happened is account freeze ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, my lords. I filed a separate application to defreeze and direct the respondent police to communicate the same with the bank.
I check this. Close it. The petitioner so and so, the settlement quote ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು the learned counsel to the petitioner hands over demand draft and a check. The check is handed over for the reason that the account is frozen. In the light of the settlement and the quashment of the proceedings, the learned additional SPP shall instruct the investigating officer to forthwith communicate to the bank to defreeze the account to enable clearance of the check.
Yes, please.
Yes, so on.
Order sheet signatures.
Next.
81.
Appear for the petitioner by court. Filing a joint memo, 498A, my lord. Parties have settled before the mediation.
Third thing.
Filing power for. And we are making the payment of 15 lakhs already paid.
Counsel for so and so undertakes to enter appearance for so and so.
Accused number 1 to 3.
In terms of the settlement, the counsel for the petitioner, accused number 1, hands over a demand draft of
15 lakhs.
15 lakhs. So, disposed cost.
Accused number 1 to 3. All.
Accused number 1?
Accused number 1 to 3 to.
Ella cost. Yes, next.
Order sheet signatures.
Next.
82.
Bring for petitioner. Boxer complaint and the victim are present before this court. Settle ಆಗಿದೆ 19 years old ಇವಾಗ.
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ ಮಗು ಇದೆ. ಮಗು ಡೆಲಿವರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3.
Child Marriage Act.
Parents ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಯಾರನ್ನ
Parents ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The prosecution what? It's high time you sensitize all these officers.
Only the husband.
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Unless you do that, ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದೊಂದು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಸರ್.
Order sheet.
ಅದು ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ವೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ರಿವೈವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
83?
Well, the petitioners are all police officers. Sanction has not been accorded under one.
The settlement ಏನ್ ಬಂತು?
Settlement ಅಲ್ಲ, final hearing.
83 ಯಾ?
83.
Oh, final hearing.
Sanction ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Cognizant stage, they were approached to session court dismiss ಆಗಿದೆ. They have suppressed and filed this petition and obtained stay. Kindly see, my lord. Before that,
Sessions court ಏನ್ dismiss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
cognizant, same order.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ sanction ಇದೆಯಾ?
Cognizance stage.
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
Allegations.
ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
They were assaulted the petitioner and handcuffing.
Where?
In public and handcuffing and.
Handcuffing. ಕೊಡಿಲಿ.
Parade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Proved ಆಗಿದೆ. That has been proved.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Last page notes.
Who has handcuffed? ಈ ಕಫಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡಿ.
He was the accused.
Departmental inquiry prove ಆಗಿದೆ handcuff.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ.
Last page, kindly see last page.
How did you handcuff, sir?
ನನಗೆ ಕೂಡ
offense is 352.
Your lordship may kindly see, the incident is on 3/3/2020. Complaint filed on 12/10/20, 7 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, handcuff ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Handcuff ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, RTI ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 353 ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 353 ಕೇಸು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 26 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. 26 ಅಲ್ಲಿ FIR ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಬಿಡಿ.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ 31 ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇವ್ರ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕಫ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 139 ಪೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್.
ಸದರಿ PCI ಅವರ ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣೆ ಸಮಜಾಯಿಷಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಸಮಜ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲಿನ ಆರೋಪವು ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಅನುಮತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೈ ಬೇಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿರುವುದು ಮೇಲ್ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಬಲಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ವರದಿ ಅನುಸಾರ KM ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಇದು ನಾವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Handcuffs.
Your lordship may kindly see. ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ
handcuff sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರೇ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್, ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಹಾಕೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾನೇನೆ.
handcuff ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದ, ಅದ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್
ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಪೇಜ್ 139 ನಿಮ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ 139?
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು 139 ರಾಜು ಅವರು? ಇದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್
ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇವ್ರು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್
ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಯಾಕೆ
ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್?
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಪರೇಡೆಡ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು,
ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಈಗ ಬಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು 12ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿದೆ.
ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್?
ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕಫ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ವಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಜುರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಇದು 193 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಪರ್ಜುರಿ
ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
323 ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಸರ್?
ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು
ಈಗ ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
323 506 323 ಅಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಮಯ. 166 167 167 190 193 323 350 505
ಕೋರ್ಟ್
ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈಲಾಡ್
ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ 41 ಇದೆ,
ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ 41 ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಇಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. 7 ತಿಂಗಳು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ
7 ತಿಂಗಳು
ಅಲ್ಲ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ 41 ಇದೆ. ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
ನೀವು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೇ ಇರೋದು?
ನೋ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೇ ಇರೋದು? ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೀವು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್
ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಇದೀರಾ, ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಹಾ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವ್ಯಾರು ಸರ್? ನೀವೇನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ?
ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಮಾಡು. ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ. List the matter on 11th for admission. 12th court date I fix, sir. You can't fix court dates. Parvailla, sir. Yes. No 12th. Yes.
End of the list. Mood matter, Arun G.
Page 42 is the complaint. The complaint is that the first informant would receive a letter, threat letter, saying that he should settle the matter with a lady. On that, they file a extortion case. Now, if you're on, may kindly see page 26. This is the reason why I have been roped into this case. Page 26. Where that first informant is facing.
In fact, on page 27, crime number 322, this honorable court has stayed the proceeding. And while staying, my lord, this honorable court directed the accused not to interfere with the affairs of the complainant therein. In spite of that, I think, my lord, he is published.
ಅದು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
I'll give the number.
Number ಕೊಡಿ. Tag this petition along with so and so. List them both on Monday in the fresh matters.
And one other thing, my lord, petitioner is remanded to police custody on a oral order.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ bail
In fact, I have challenged that only. Petitioner is nothing to do with this. He is only a friend of that victim. Just because 26 he takes the victim would take my name because he is my friend. He is doing all these harassment. Page 26, bottom list.
Your television,
that person, because he's a producer and he claims that.
Well, all right. He is the complainant, is it?
He is the complainant in this case.
Sir, why did you publish all this?
No. It's not about publication.
That is done by the complainant. In why?
Okay.
Yes.
Complainant has done.
Complainant has done it.
Who is the complainant then? He has himself registered the complaint.
Connected matter is an accused. Page 27, crime number 322.
There shall be additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. There shall be an interim order of stay of investigation in so and so till the next date of hearing. A number kodi.
My interim prayer is that he should be released.
Stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Investigation stay ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ. In fact, he is arrested. Kindly see the order sheet.
If he is arrested on oral orders.
Kindly see the order sheet, man.
Page
44, my lord. He is produced on 2/2. The order is passed on 3/2.
Accused handed over to IO. Okay, the police will further investigations.
Page 46, my lord. It is signed. The order is passed.
Not to indicate IO is direct to permit the council. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ oral order ಅಂತ?
No. I'm making this submission, my lord. In fact, I made a submission. The court next day in the open court, this order has been passed. If you're on, may kindly see the signs which has been subscribed. It is on 3/2.
3/2, correct.
He's produced on 2nd. He's remanded on 2nd. Police custody.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ.
This is not
What
correct.
is all this?
Not correct.
The petitioner
Lordship
is.
have to pull up the. Lordship have to pull
No,
up.
this is not correct. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated 3/2/2026. The 2020 in crime number 33 of 2026. The order reads as follows. Page 44, 45, 46. The petitioner is remanded to judicial custody. Police custody for investigation on 2/2/2026. The order is signed on 3/2/2026. Therefore, even before the order could be signed, the petitioner is remanded to police custody. This is Prima facie, this is completely unbecoming of the post that the presiding officer holds, that he remands someone to judicial custody, pronounces the order later or signs the order later. The petitioner shall, on the said score, be released, be set at liberty from police custody forthwith. List this matter on 11th in the fresh matters list.
By hand. Please.
Reporting settlement.
Ingu ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? What is all? We'll see. Administrator.
Complainant, I think is.
We'll place it before the chief.
No.
Complainant irada.
For petitioner in this case, Milad. The allegation-
Settlement.
Reporting settlement.
What offense?
420 and forgery, Milad.
420.
Impersonation.
Agree. You are appearing for the complainant? Why?
Recognized in India, it's not necessarily that complainant, one person has cheated and
Monday.
it's not necessarily one person has cheated.
FIR is always open for you. Our settle ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಬೇಡ.
We've, my lord, received now the money, my lord, and it is settled outside court.
They have received,
No,
but it does not stop you from registering crimes.
Let's have it Tuesday, my lord.
My lord, but we've settled now, my lord. I've received my money. I've got my money now. For me, for this to continue, my lord, under this, it would not, my lord.
All these gaming apps, my lord, is a serious business.
Parties are also present, my lord.
No problem. That will not stop you from registering
correct, my lord.
subsequent crimes at all.
That's correct, my lord.
I will observe that and close it. If you want Tuesday, ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ Tuesday ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Tuesday ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Learned Counsel Srimati Kirti Reddy undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent complainant. The parties to the list have settled the dispute amongst themselves. The complainant has received his money that he had lost, for which he had complained. The learned additional SPP submits that the settlement should not be permitted in the case at hand, as these are gaming apps which have larger ramifications. Therefore, it is, however, necessary to observe that mere closure of this case will never come in the way of the state to take action if any other case springs later. Therefore, they list the matter on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m., 4 p.m. to conclude reporting of settlement.
Grateful, my lord.
Fast over 25.
Another 2 minutes.
ಏನು madam ಇದು?
Monday.
304 A.
We are paying the amount.
ನಾಳೆ Tuesday ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, Monday ಮೇಲೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, Monday at 4 p.m. Yes.
79 reporting settlement.
Yes. 13th, yes.
Madam.
ಧಾರವಾಡ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ.
Matters pertaining to Dharwad.
Not serial number one.
Tirumalesh sir.
One, my lord, it is not a faceless matter. Mr. Upin is also here.
Agare will restore the file.
Yes, yes.
Instead of restore Malad and it can be disposed Malad.
Disposed as what?
Annexure, as per annexure G, I have sought for leave. Similar matter.
Tirumalesh sir. ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. If your lordship have got time, we can do it.
Madam.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Your lordship's order is there at a page.
Page
G. Annexure G.
ಪೇಜ್ ಏನು annexure G?
Page
ಫೈಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ.
32. ಅಲ್ಲ Milord. Milord, page 32 Milord.
ಮನೇಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Page 32. I have filed an appeal against assessment order, that is pending.
Which is my order, sir?
Page 32.
32 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Your lordship issued direction to the first appellate authority to dispose the appeal, and in the meanwhile, not to take dispositive action.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Page 32 of the writ petition.
ಅದೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ 32 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ
Madam,
ಅದ್
file.
ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords, your lordship is holding another other appeal.
Serial number 3.
ಕರಿ ಕರಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು what has happened is that the final order which is placed, it is mentioned as respondents 1 and 2. It has to be mentioned as respondent 1 and 2, not 3 and 4. My lords. The last portion of the order.
All right, Tirumalesh sir, we'll take it on another day.
No, since
Next ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
Since they could take a contempt matter against me, the income
Contempt?
tax department is not responsible for
Yes, sir,
repayment.
contempt ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
They are online. My lords.
Who has filed contempt?
No, they are
The
not filed. It is
petition.
lead to the petition.
The petition was disposed on the score that these were matters concerning the faceless jurisdiction.
Alala, your lordship is holding 104,997.
Yes, sir.
In 104,997, the operative portion of the order, it is mentioned as 3 and 4. Respondents 3 and 4 are responsible for refund.
Oh, refund ಇದು?
Yes.
3 and 4 are not responsible.
3 and 4 are now, 1 and 2 it has to be made as 1 and 2.
This court on so and so had disposed the petition. The learned counsel M. Tirumalesh submits that there is an error with the direction to refund to respondents 3 and 4. The refund has to be done by the respondents 1 and 2 and not by 3 and 4.
Yes.
In that light, the order shall be corrected as the compliance by respondent 1 and 2 in place of respondents 3 and 4. Next year.
That is Mr. Uppin's matter.
Number 2.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದಿನ
Not 9472.
Correct. Will
Annexure G.
next ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Can be restored also to the regular bench.
The subject petition was disposed on the score that it was covered by judgment rendered by this court concerning faceless jurisdictions. Both the learned counsel appearing for the petition and the respondent submit that it is not a faceless matter. Therefore, the order so and so stands recalled. The petition is restored to file. Post the matter before the bench having roster. Next.
Fresh matter still number 3.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ all this 27th. All 27th is. Further hearing ಎಲ್ಲ 13th.
The
All
matter,
on
the date
13th.
was fixed, please your lordship, for reporting settlement today.
Which one?
The matter has not been listed. Please
When
your
do you
lordship.
want it?
The parties are before the court. One of the
What's the
persons
offense?
come from Kerala.
What's the offense?
The offense is POCSO matter, please. your
POCSO
lordship.
matter I will not settle.
The report is not, the alleged offense has not been reported and able to, the allegation.
ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು?
Please, your
That is the only allegation against
That is
you?
the only allegation, please, your lordship. In fact, the victim alleged boy is a 10-year-old boy from marital differences in which this 4 complaints came to be filed.
Victim is a boy.
Yes, please, your lordship.
But ಇವತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Date may be fixed, please, your lordship, so that the parties have come from Kerala.
ಬರೀ ಆನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
It can be done.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ.
Compromise petition was also filed, please, your lordship, it is already taken on record.
ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. 17. What happened? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದಾವೆ?
4 matters.
Oh, that Veena George.
Exactly.
I've heard it twice or thrice.
Yes, yes, your lordship.
ಎಲ್ಲ 4 ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ.
Various police complaint stations.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Please.
This is the matter on ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು?
Next Friday, 13th.
ಆಯ್ತು, next Friday 13th.
Not your lordship, maybe on 15th or 16th, your lordship, kindly.
15th Sunday.
16th, kindly.
16th 4 PM.
With that retention which was heard by my lords, it was Advert bench, my lord, serial number 17. In fact, written arguments were also filed by.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಟ? Which serial number?
Serial number 17 of the Advert.
17.
17.
Oh, the Gurudas Kanur repair agid.
Please, my lords.
Ah,
In fact,
here.
written arguments are also filed, my lord.
Correct, we'll see, not today.
Any date may be.
Next Friday.
Please.
Serial number 92, my lords. CRP, my lords, your lordships have heard in length.
Ella next Friday repeat agutte. All further hearing matters will repeat next Friday. Because
But
madhyana bench ide, otherwise I would have heard it.
I'll let your lordships.
Adu ashte 13th.
13. At 2:30, my lord.
So ella all further hearing matters at 2:30 on 13th.
13th, very well.
Reporting of settlement, my lord. For hand delivery. Reporting of settlement.
Hand report. ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes.
For reporting of settlement, my lord.
Ah.
For reporting of settlement, my lord. Have it on Monday, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ settlement.
96
ನಿಮ್ದು
interim order
settlement
to be extended.
13 7
13 ಅಲ್ಲ 7 ಅಲ್ಲ sub-registrar's matter my lord.
ಓ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ I was on leave my lord in a connected matter my lord my
Work from home. Sub registrars ಮಾಡದೆ ಹಂಗೆ.
I have not even registered.
Satish
Connected matter. My lords have granted interim order in so far as my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸತೀಶ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ರಜಾ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Monday, madam.
It is a fresh matter my lord.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಾ?
Only atrocity is concerned my lord. My lords have granted.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಿಮಗೂ ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನಾನು atrocity ನೂ ಇದೆ lord. I was on leave lord. I have not registered.
ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ.
ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ I am in a better.
ಓ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. I was on leave for 2 days. Lord, I have registered agreement of sale. I have not registered, my lord.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್.
May I request for money? There is a rate, my lord.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Monday, my lord.
ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ?
ಅದು 3ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I have no, it's a fresh matter.
ನೋ.
Not even notice is ordered.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Monday, my lord. Lordship will kindly consider.
ಸಬ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. Monday, my lord.
ಅದೇನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು.
Kindly. ನಾನು 2 ದಿನ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I was not even
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ದಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
ಆಯ್ತು. Kindly.
ಲೀವ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ No, but I have produced the leave application. I was
mention ಮಾಡಿ.
Please, sir.
mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
District registrar.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಇದೆ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡ I was on my lord.
Monday full ಆಗ.
Monday, my lord.
Monday host.
ಆಯ್ತು. Tuesday, my lord.
Well, that's one.
Next Friday, the whole thing will come.
Well, one last indulgence, my lords, that 96 ಅಲ್ಲಿ interim order ಇತ್ತು.
Serial number 79 on settlement report ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. The lordship could consider to take it on 16th, we will report settlement.
Complaint is being registered by, my lords, this is Prevention of Atrocity Act, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is, my lords, used it, my lords, it may be posted on.
Monday ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ move ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2:30 ಇಲ್ಲ
Tuesday man.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ.
Let's,
ಅದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
That may be taken on Tuesday, my lords.